Alex.
Hey,
What's up?
he's coming right now. This guy's not really a project manager type. Like
Okay.
he's not like born to be. That's like not like his main job, but he's led teams before. But he's mostly a front end designer.
Cool.
Like he's mostly
Okay,
front end
he's
developer.
learning. Okay, got it.
All right, cool. Where's Tyron at?
Arun's joining. He texted just now.
Okay.
Mm.
Where's T? Okay, cool. He's coming in right now. Like I said, he's not really a project. He's not like a project
Hey,
manager.
Alex.
Hey T, it's project management's not like his main job, but like he's led teams before, but he's mostly like a front end developer. But I was like, can you just help us get like off the ground and like get going and stuff? He said he's waiting. So what's that mean? In the waiting room?
Is he in the waiting room?
How do you do
how
that? How do you see that?
Click on participants. You'll see him on the right, and you can admit him from there.
Okay, there he is. Okay, there he is. Hey. Vishwash. What's the best way to pronounce your name?
It's Vishwas.
Vishwash.
Hey, Vishwas.
Hi,
This
how are
is
you?
Tarun.
I
Hey, Vishal.
who is speaking? I am not getting right.
Okay. I'm
Okay,
Roshan.
Alex, the thing is disabled. I'm not able to look into anything.
Look at what?
Roshan, why is it completely white?
What's
Have
complete?
not- Nothing's completely white.
Eh, Are you able to look at those?
Those what?
It's not like usual Zoom meet. It's like completely white and
What?
chuck it, whatever.
Just restart Zoom. It'll be fine.
Okay, so this
Focus.
is the team pretty much. So you said you wanted to talk first before we're ready to get started like today, by the way, too, if that's okay with you. As far as like our design, I showed him like the wolf design thing. We're not sure if that's what we want to do completely. But I'll let him go and let the guys like you said you had some questions and stuff or
What are we doing? First of all, is start from there, right?
well,
Yeah.
we'll let you know what kind of company we are first. Okay, you guys want to explain that from like the bottom up maybe to him real quick. I'll be right back.
Oh,
Sure,
so-
sure.
excuse me. I'm not catching you. Some sort of fast you are, right?
Okay, nothing now. Tarun, we'll explain you what kind of company we are now. What do we
Okay,
do?
Yes, Vishwas. So, how are you?
I am good.
Yeah. Which part of India are you from? Even me and Roshan are from India.
Bengal,
No,
right?
I am from Nepal, right?
Nepal. Oh,
Okay.
that's
And
cool.
where are you from, Tarun? Which state?
I'm from Bangalore,
Oh,
Karnataka.
right, Karnataka, right? Yes. And what we are going to start?
Yes, yes, Vishwas. Okay, so let me explain.
Okay.
So we are Team MadMP, and right now we are focused on the basic thing we do is static sites and web apps, and we are kind of progressing towards
Right.
yeah, sorry, and we are kind of progressing towards Roshan. What is that?
Progressive web
Project
apps.
and yeah, progressive web apps and project management tools for other companies.
Right.
Yeah. So now we are in the process of building our own site, that is our portfolio, and the work for our management software, that is it. Okay, so this project management software is for us, for Team RMP, just for us and for our clients. That's it.
Yes,
So that we
basically like an internal company tool, if you have heard of that.
Oh, okay. Just
Company builds their own software for their team. Yeah, like that.
yes.
that's some sort of like a time management app.
No, not just time
Oh,
management.
Project.
Through that, we
uh,
can chat with
oh,
each other
project.
and chat
All
with our
right.
client. Yeah.
Just like Slack.
Not like Slack, like Trello and Slack combined. Sort
Oh,
of like that. So we have a chat
okay,
feature,
okay.
everything like that.
Yeah. A lot of stuff combined together.
All right. And we are basically doing that, right?
Yeah. For now, we are starting off with that for ourselves. So as we progress, we're gonna do that for clients also.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Because
what I have to do particularly for this, right?
Okay. So we need your help to manage us. So we need you to realize our goal. You get it right?
Okay.
Yes. Keeping it
Yeah.
organized and stuff.
Keeping
And
yeah. Go on.
yeah,
Vishwas.
yeah, yes. To go on.
And front end too, and to do front end as well.
Yes. So can you explain your front end experience, like what all you know and stuff like that?
Uh, I am two plus years experience on web development, right? And
Okay.
I have been doing React apps since 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have done some projects for my clients also.
Okay.
Projects, however, is not live on GitHub due to
Okay.
privacy issue,
Got it.
right?
Got it. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Got it.
that's some sort of problem for developers, right? And
Mm.
I have some sort of screenshots of them, right?
Oh, you have screenshots. Okay. Can
I
you?
have screenshots. Yes.
Okay.
Is it fine with you if you can share it with us?
Yeah, so that we can look into that.
Only if
Oh,
it's fine with you. Only if it's fine with you.
okay. Okay. I have to source that screenshot, right? Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll take
Okay.
some time, right?
Yes.
Mm, yes, I am going to share screen, right?
Yeah, please do it.
Alex, can you enable the screen share for everyone?
Yeah, it should be good.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Are you getting this?
Yeah,
right?
we can see. Yeah, we can see.
Okay.
Yep.
Stuff. How did you feel about the wolf? You said you could do that, right? The wolf animation.
Wolf animation. That's some
Okay.
sort of GSAP animation, I think, right? And
I think it's GSAP. We're not really sure.
yes,
Color mirrors, you said that you could do it. You said that you could do that. Though.
yes, I could do that.
All right, go ahead and show us your stuff, please.
And this one I developed for my client, one of beer manufacturing company, right?
We can't. Tarun, can you see it in full screen? I think you.
Can you open
Vishwas,
it?
No, I think you're sharing only the file explorer.
Yeah, you have to.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I have to share the whole screen, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And are you seeing right now?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, we can see.
Okay. And this one I developed for a beer company,
Okay.
right?
Did you
Yeah.
design that or did you develop it? Only. Like, did you design that as well?
Not both. I have done
Both.
this
Okay.
both.
No, that's clean. That's very nice. It's good. How I wish you could see how responsive it was. But you didn't do the designing though, right?
He
Yes,
says he did both.
Oh, you did
I
both?
did
Design and
both.
develop.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, here. See,
Yes.
Tyron does Tyron is our designer. He's actually
Okay.
yeah, Tyron's our designer too. So I mean, you guys could work together and obviously knock that out. So it's very
Okay.
nice. You did a very good job. I like it. It's very clean.
Yeah, it's
Wait,
nice, clean and good.
we could do better combining our abilities, right?
Yeah, that's
Uh,
true, Vishwas.
We're gonna set our standards like we set our standards really, really high, kind of almost too high, to the point where it's stressing us out. We want a website.
Right.
You know, we want a website mostly that's gonna like. What did you think when you saw that website, the dog studio? Do you remember what site I'm showing? What I'm talking about?
That wolf like, right?
Yeah. What did you think
or-
about when you saw that?
That's when I opened on mobile, I didn't see animation, right?
Oh no,
And-
you should do desktop. Yeah, you can't.
Yes. And I have to. That mobile site was good, responsive, right? Like,
Yeah, but we don't need
and-
those mobile. Doesn't matter at all. Like
but desktop animation was cool.
you saw it. Okay, so it was
Yes,
But would you
yes.
say that was pretty advanced, right? Or
Some sort of there. What I think there use scroll trigger, right? And when the scroll
yeah,
is down, the image was scaled, right?
Yes.
And
Yeah, that's correct.
what?
so you're
What
basically saying
other
you're ready to learn, though, right? That's what it is. You're ready to learn, correct?
Sorry.
Like you're okay with learning, right? Like you're not completely
Yeah.
100%, but you said that you can learn fast, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We should be eager to learn, right?
That's good. No, that's what we want actually. That's perfect because then you're not stuck like
And let me finish this, right? Okay. Just
just kidding. You better tell me, and you have to tell me to put me in my place. Okay.
okay.
Next one, please. I'm over.
And when it's footer, right? When
Mm-hmm.
there is footer, is some sort of like this, and I haven't screenshot this, and this I have
What's this dark one? What's this one right here? This dark one, number 36. Oh, okay.
the
That you?
yeah.
You look at suave.
Thank you.
You have hair like mine. Okay, cool. This is nice.
Just it was done in React, right? That before project was also done in React. I have done this game in React, right? Then some sort of egg basket game which we played
Okay.
in childhood.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have done this in React, and where
Uh-huh.
is it? And I am currently working on this. One
What
of
is this
my
about?
friends, one of my friends, football site blogs some sort of, and
Okay.
he is demanding this from me, and it's 15 days, but I haven't completed.
Okay,
Mm,
so
and yes, some sort of like, and it's not complete. However,
what's your experience with GSAP and stuff? Like if we were gonna start today, like what would you say you would be able to like bring to the table to as a front end developer?
while working is GSAP.
You would be working with Tyron right here. So Tyron is learning, and he's very, very fast learner like you. But he would be working
Okay.
underneath someone more experienced than him. So we need somebody very experienced that knows exactly what they're. I mean, there's room to learn, of course, but I mean, it would be silly to bring someone on that's just as good as.
And I recently did this project.
You just ignore me, or okay. Guys, what do you guys think? What do you guys think?
Bishwas, what do you think your strongest area is?
My strongest area.
Yeah. Among designing, developing, project managing, what is your strongest area?
My strongest area, I would say front end development, right? And project management, some sort of, I have not experience on that, but if
It's not gonna
I could know,
Project
if I could know what I have to do, I could adapt it, right?
No. Raj has been doing developing for more than 2 years, and he's not even our project manager. So 2 years is not enough time. But you know, we are still considering, we still need somebody for the front end because the guy that we chose hasn't shown up yet today. So we're not saying that it wouldn't be possible for you to join the front end. What are you expecting, like pay wise?
Expectation. Some sort of what type of job will be this? As I replied, DM'd you, right, when I saw that animation. You have invited someone in that Discord chat, right?
Yeah,
And
I put a job post for people who
yes,
were good at GSAP and GreenSock.
yes, and some sort of it's not front end job, right? And I have to do project management.
No, you wouldn't do project management. That's out. Don't forget about the project management. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you would. Yeah, just forget about that. No, it's no offense or anything. I thought you had more experience. It just wouldn't make sense to make you project manager with 2 years of experience. It's nothing personal.
Okay,
It's just
okay.
that it doesn't really make sense because my guys have been doing this. Roche right here is seasoned. He's been doing this for a little over 2 years, and he's not even our project manager. So that wouldn't really make sense.
Yes.
But I mean, like I said, we are still looking for a front end. I think that you might.
And this is my another side. Okay, right? Some sort of I am showing just as front end developer what my experiences are.
Okay.
I have developed this site This is some sort of programming or tutorials points, some sort of like this site.
Hmm.
And this
Okay.
design and development both done by me.
Do you have something more
Okay.
advanced, like something like what's like your most hard, like what's your hardest? Mm,
S-
like I mean, I'm not saying it's not pretty. I mean, it looks great. Your designer did a really good job. You guys did a good job. But I'm just saying, like, what would is there something that you can show us that's kind of like,
Mind blowing.
yeah, that set your skills apart? Because we're looking for someone that's able to do pretty advanced
Okay.
animation. Like okay, I'm just curious. What makes you think that you're capable of performing GSAP and GreenSock? Do you have experience with it?
Uh, I have tried this, but particularly I have not worked with all the animation, right?
So you're saying that you would learn kind of like as you go because it's a very hard it's a very hard anime. It's not one of those things where you just kind of like have to wing it. It's like it's really really hard. It's really hard to
And
animate.
recently I did this one, right?
Okay. All right. So I think what like I said, what made you think that you can you do green sap or can you show us something right now to prove to us that you could do green sack soccer green or green sap? Can like anything GSAP or anything? Can you prove to us like right now, like that you would be capable of pulling something like that off?
Uh, I have done some animation, right?
Okay, but these are like no offense, it's like it's like kindergarten compared to like what we need.
Oh,
I'm not trying to be
okay.
rude. I'm not trying to be rude to you, but I'm just you keep ignoring me, and I'm trying to tell you something. Can you please? We need something very advanced. I'm not saying that you couldn't do it and that you're not capable of doing it. I think you're smart and that you could do it. But is there just something you
Yes.
can give us? If we're gonna choose you and put our whole heart into you, like what can you show us right now that would make us trust that you could do the right for the job? Like, can you show us anything right now on code, or can you do anything to show us like what you
Uh,
do or? Roshan Tyra know code enough to know if you would know what you were probably doing. Can you do something in GSAP right now? Like if you're gonna do that wolf thing right now, like how would you start that off?
so what you said, I
You,
didn't get it.
you answered the ad because you said that you were capable of doing the Dog Studio Wolf, correct?
Yes.
So what would you do then if you were gonna start that animation? What would your first step be?
Let me check that, right? Some
Right there. Yeah. Like, what would your first step be in this?
this is preloader, right?
You tell me.
And it's a floating animation.
What would your first step be?
Yes, yes, adding the this animation, right, in background. Once we reach this some position in y-axis, and this scrolling begins, scaling begins for this animation.
Do you know the terms? Do you know what we would be using? Like, do you know?
Yes, it's some sort of a scroll trigger, and it has
3D.
two parameters, right?
Okay, so how would you start this right now? If I said, okay, I want you and T to go for the day and start this and go to take on the animation. Like, where would you start right now?
When
What
right
would
now?
you do? Yeah, what would you do?
Like-
Can someone please help me? Like,
Okay, like Alex is asking, what if she
Yes.
tells you to build this demo animation in
Yes.
2 days? Like, how would you start? Like, what would the procedure? Like, where would you start? What would you do at the starting? Just telling it out, nothing else.
Starting just installing GSAP, right? Installing GSAP. And am I making sense?
Yeah, then
And adding this image, and once the scroll bar goes, and we have to scale this, right?
This is a 3D model, so we can't do this. We'll have to outsource one guy who knows to do 3D models in other software and he'll give it to you. So what, like,
Roshan, this is
how would you add it to your HTML? Okay, it's like an interview. No,
Roshan, this is
no,
not
it's
just
like
a
a quiz or something.
3D
Yes,
model, right?
it is a
It is
3D
also,
model.
it's kind of like a GIF.
It's not a
If
GIF,
you,
it's 3D model. Oh, sure.
it's 3D model, but it's kind of GIF, da.
What do you mean by
It's
a GIF?
looping around. See, like
Hey,
it's
that's
years.
CSS. That's keyframes. Nothing else. See?
That's what GIF means, right?
No.
Yes,
Eh,
da.
I think this one is video, right?
No.
They recorded it. No, it's a video recording.
No. That's just one of their videos on their site, bud.
Yes, that's a demo. Which they.
Listen, if you don't know how to do it, that's fine, but it's just, I mean, that's just something that's important to us. That's all. I mean,
Oh,
it's just very hard to
Okay.
learn. I mean, it's just very hard to learn. It's just one of those things you can't really kind of wing. You know, it's believe me, my guys would have already had it down by now. It's very hard. It's really hard animation. So,
oh, okay.
I'm not saying that you couldn't do it. I mean, I would love. I mean, I just feel like your skill set's just not exactly where we need it right now. But I mean, I could
Yes.
definitely see you in future projects for sure. We'll probably use you. I mean, you're very talented. Obviously, it's just.
Okay,
So
I will be happier when you will ask me for other projects, right?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, we will definitely consider you for future projects.
Yeah.
If you just leave your information with me and stuff, so I can get a good way to get a hold of you, we will definitely consider you for future projects and stuff.
Oh, okay. We will be connected on
Absolutely.
Discord. Okay.
Yes, absolutely. Yep. I really appreciate your time. Like I said, leave your information with us though, and leave your information with me and on future projects. We'll definitely keep you in mind. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It was really nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Uh huh. Okay. So guys, say bye.
Bye. Bye,
Bye.
Vishwas.
then.
Take care.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, guys. So let's see.
Hey, Tarun, no, it's a 3D model. You wanna see? Look at this.
Guys, I handled
Hey,
that
did I
wrong.
say no for a 3D model? It is a 3D model, bro. But then
Yeah, like
See,
it's not a GIF, dude. It's not a GIF. It's CSS animation. You're wrong now. Shut up. Done.
bro, I mean, it's a 3D
Nothing,
model.
No, no, it's not a GIF. No, no.
Fine,
no,
whatever,
no,
whatever.
no,
Okay,
not a
Alex,
GIF.
I'll share my screen. Just look at this. Okay, me and Roshan did this today.
Mhm.
I mean, he did it. I
So-
didn't do it.
Shut up. So we can. This is like the second wireframe for the landing page. So as soon as you enter hero section, the laptop's gonna show up. We have to make that animation, and then as you scroll, maybe these can have a Z index so that the laptop can stick around in the back, and these texts just move above the thing. Do you get the idea?
He meant the dog will. I mean, the laptop will be in the background. Tarun, tell like that. Tell
I think
Z
that's a
and
good
that's
idea.
how it's been. Yeah.
Okay, and
Just like the dog studio thing,
once
it's
you
gonna
come
be
to
the
over
back.
here, personalized solutions, the laptop
Alex,
kind of turns
Alex,
to
look
the
at this.
right.
This is really good. This is really good.
Yeah. So okay, yeah.
You did
So-
this, T?
Yes, yes.
You're so
Alex.
you impress me day by day.
I'm
mean-
gonna impress you even more. Look at one more thing.
Oh, absolutely. This is so
Yes.
great.
Okay, about this. So once you come over here, the laptop kind of turns to the right. Okay, it turns to the right. It skews to the right, and then 3 to 4 screens come out of the laptop.
You do the animation. I thought you learned animation. What?
I did the animation also. I did the animation.
You did
also. Let me
not.
show
You did not.
I did it. I did it. Let me show that. So, so
I'm never
once
gonna
you
make you leave Figma ever. I know you love Figma now. I'm never gonna make you leave Figma.
so once so once you're over here, the laptop screen, it just divides into 3 or 4 laptop screens, and they just come into your it turns like a 3D model, and then all of these show some kind of work,
Oh my
some
gosh.
kind of interesting stuff, and the words kind of overlap above the animation, so you can see the colors change on the animation, but the
Oh, I love it.
colors remain. Yeah, so once you're over here, this part shows that okay, this part, the laptop's gonna turn into a mobile. So we make mobile first. So
Oh my gosh, it's so good, huh, Rush?
now look at this. Now look at this. This is what I had planned. Okay.
Wow.
So
I'm so excited.
this is how it's gonna turn.
Okay.
Something like, yeah.
That's perfect. Oh my God, this is perfect. This is exactly what we need to show somebody. Like exactly to get this started. Like
Yes. Yes.
I knew you were just sitting around playing video games. Like I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
Nah,
I had a feeling you were doing something amazing. I was like, what is everyone doing? I was like, and you guys had a surprise for me. I'm so happy, dude. This is freaking amazing. Like T, I love that little design you have right there, even like that little those little like stacks. Like that's really cool.
yeah, that's just to explain you like how
No, that's
what I
perfect.
thought of.
No, that's
Yeah,
perfect.
that
Okay,
is
but listen, is this for mobile or desktop?
This is a desktop version.
This is for the desktop version.
Okay. So mobile,
Yeah.
I think we're not gonna be able to do that that mini
Yeah,
graphic in mobile, right?
That's
So
correct.
Not,
Yep.
I have yet to see anything on mobile that shows animation like really. Have you guys
Yeah,
found any
mobile.
animation?
Yeah, got it. Mobile animation is very simple and small. It's not that intense.
Which is understandable because you're in a small
Yeah,
screen.
understandable. True.
Yeah.
This is perfect. I love this. This is great.
And what do you think about the fonts?
I love the fonts. Actually, to be honest with you, I love the fonts.
I like the
Maybe-
fonts, dude.
Yeah,
really
I
like the
actually, you know
fonts.
what? Yeah, I really like it. Maybe Mad Empty, maybe a little bit closer, but other than that, I think it looks good. I mean,
Yeah,
honestly,
that's
I'm not a
good.
designer. You are. Yeah, that's perfect. T,
You
who
know,
would have known that you were like a designer? Like, huh? Like you, just
even
because the bottom matches the middle like a little bit. See, like how the bottom. See how it says we offer completely customized. Maybe that should be a little bit. Like Mad Empty should maybe be a little bit smaller than that. Like, see how digital matches or something.
no. All of these are the same font size, dude.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Digital
okay.
is as same as Madam T.
Okay, but I think we should do Mad Empty only separate just to separate it from digital solutions because it kind of blends too much. You know what I mean? We need our company.
Okay, yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
I think we should make our company name like. But as a matter of fact, we need permanent font. We need a permanent Mad Empty like font. By the way,
No.
we haven't thought about that, so we need like a permanent. I have our vectors. I already paid for our vectors and stuff for our characters.
What?
I'm just waiting on
Okay.
you T, to give me a picture. Yeah.
Yes, today I'll send it today for sure. Yep.
Mhm.
So this is what
I'll
I
show
have
you
to
guys. I'll
say.
show you guys her work. I'll show you guys her work. Why I picked her. She's actually really good. I'm very impressed with you, T.
That
That's
is-
great. I just wish that Sasha would get on.
Yeah, like
man.
okay.
What
By the
happened?
way, why did we interview this guy? Because Sasha is already there, right? For the
Sasha's
entire
not
interview.
coming though. So if Sasha doesn't show up, then he doesn't get a job. Like you know what I mean?
Actually, Sasha, like we agreed on meeting at 6, right? IST.
Okay, well this is not
So-
going to work then, guys. We cannot do 6 o'clock because this is taking.
Yeah, true.
way too long.
We should have told him. Okay.
Yeah, I
Let's give
should.
him a chance. We'll tell him today.
Yeah, I
we-
think he
okay,
should have been
so
on though,
Alex,
right?
Is
I'm
this
surprised he-
time good for you? Is this time good for you? Like when we
No,
started
earlier,
on-
like 2 a.m. 2
Two-
a.m. my time.
Okay,
like-
2 a.m. your time.
Remember
Okay,
our
fine,
meetings
we'll
last
tell
time?
him.
Remember our
Yes.
meetings we used to have like that.
Yes. Got it. Okay, fine. We'll tell him that.
Hang on real quick. Let's see. View job post. Okay, I'm gonna show you the girl that I picked.
Ooh.
Okay,
yes.
she's just for outsourcing, right? It's just outsourcing.
She's gonna one. Yeah, it's just outsourcing. She's just the one that she's gonna one that's gonna do our vector characters.
Then Tarun, I'm in the back later. Like Alex, do you get our lame jokes?
Okay, yeah, look, she needs a third picture too, by the way. Okay, look. Okay, I'm sharing. Share. Okay, share screen. Boom. Okay, you guys see?
yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, but you guys should see this. Look at this. You guys are gonna be like hilarious. This is so freaking hilarious. Look what I put for the I made this for the look.
Oh
Oh my God, Roshan. Oh my God.
I love it. I think it's awesome. Yeah, and I'm gonna tell her. I said, Roshan just wants work casual outfit, and I was like,
Like,
About
I
casual.
want a black button down short sleeve shirt, and I want to make sure my tattoos are on there with maybe some navy chinos and Doc Martin boots. Yeah, look at me, boom, 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 and then look, Rosh. Look.
damn.
I love
Dude,
it.
Roshan, I'm
Roshan looks
cringing so hard,
good.
dude.
Roshan looks good. Look at his
Yeah.
glasses.
This is not his
Uh,
current pick, dude. It's like
Like this was like 2 years ago.
I knew it, Roshan.
You rode a bike, Rosh?
Yes, that time
That's
I was
freaking
going
scary.
out for a thing.
That's scary, Rosh. You need to be careful.
Uh,
Okay, let's look at her work real quick. Yeah, Sasha, he doesn't get one. Good thing because he doesn't show up to work. So I'm just kidding. Like I just paid her 60, whatever. That's good though. You know, 60 is good for $20 each. She said. I was like, that's fine with me. Okay, where is the? Okay, here we go. This is like her stuff. Some of her stuff. She's really, really good. Let's see her stuff. See, like stuff, but is ours going to
Right?
be like this? These are just examples of some of her stuff. She has different kinds of like, she has all kinds of different kinds of like of characters and stuff like
Okay,
that.
that's nice.
Right?
Go ahead.
She's cool. And then more stuff like this.
Damn.
What?
She's good, huh?
Oh, I love that one.
She specializes in like characters and stuff, and like vectors and stuff. So I'm just really curious what she's gonna make us because it's like she's really interested. It's really interesting her stuff, you know.
So if it's good, Abby, like, do you want her in, like, as an
Huh?
illustrator? As an illustrator. Alex, can you show me her job post in Upwork? If she does motion graphics, no, I'm watching.
Oh, huh? Maybe she could do what we want.
So, no, just asking. Like, if she does it, it's good. Then
Look at
Karan
that.
can
She's
go
good,
with
huh?
the
Look how good she is. She specializes in characters, though. I mean, maybe. I'll ask her. I'll see what she says. This is her. These are her animations and stuff. Like her. I like this one. This one's cool. She's talented, huh?
Yeah, dude, 100%.
I love these characters. I love that. I love these characters. But yeah, so I told her the characters how I wanted them. I said I wanted them like Snapchat characters. Kind of like,
Oh, got it. I got it. Okay, those kinds of stuff. Tarun, do you know that? Snapchat
like
character.
these. Like
Yeah,
see these Snapchat,
these.
see the Snapchat characters like these.
Ooh, okay.
I wanted characters to be kind of like these people. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Yep.
got it.
Yeah. Which I need to probably take. Probably like downloads. I need to send her that, by the way. Mine looks kind of like me, pretty much. Okay, cool. I need to go right there. All right, guys. So what are we doing? Are we just waiting for him to come then? Alex, I got Sasha. We need to call him Sasha. Sasha. He wants to be called Sasha.
Sasha.
Yeah, because
Have you watched this movie 2012? I'm pretty sure you have.
I love that movie with John Cusack.
Yes. You know, there's this pilot, Sasha.
Yeah, Sasha. Yeah, this pilot Sasha. Yep, exactly.
Yes.
Oops, why did
that's
I?
what
Oops, I accidentally sent her the wrong. Oops. Sent her the wrong screenshot.
So, Alex, like, does she have the motion graphics thing on her profile?
Let me look. You want me to ask if she can do what we want?
Like, yeah, the illustration part.
Okay.
Tarun, get ready to go to the bat. Like, how did it start?
Roshan.
I don't know. When did it start.
Roshan, how do I continue with the page now? Like, I feel like all I have to do is
See,
I have to replace
Karen,
these.
she needs your stuff though.
Yeah,
She needs
yeah.
your picture. She needs your pictures. She said.
Yes, I'll send it. I'll send it today.
She said. Send me the
today.
third pictures also.
Yep.
What? She's almost done. What? Damn.
No, she's not almost done, but
She wants.
okay. I'm gonna ask her if she can do stuff like recap, right? Like I don't want to completely rip off. I'm kind of thinking we should have more white too than black for on ours too, you know, as well. Like, I mean, I like the black idea, but I think we should integrate some white in there, not completely pitch black.
Okay.
I mean, but it just depends though. I mean, like I said, we'll see what the designers come up with. T and the other designer might come up with something completely different, you know. Let's see. Hang on real quick. So I'm gonna tell her right now, I'm gonna be like, hey, by the way, off subject, can you do animations like, hey, okay, she said, all right, I will do it. I will make the portrait of all three of you in one frame and also headshot also in another frame. Because guys, we're gonna be using our headshots for like our stuff from now on. So all your Discord pictures are gonna get changed to our vector, okay?
Got it.
Yeah, sure.
I'm serious. Like we have to have.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
Yep.
Okay, T, what are you gonna do? Which one are you gonna choose? Send it to me. I'm excited. You haven't taken your picture yet, have you?
I haven't it. Like
Just
now
take a
I have
picture
to,
of your
like
face real
the
quick.
whole day I was sitting in front of Figma.
Okay, well just take a picture of your face real quick. Just be like, boom. I'll do it for you then. I'll just screenshot one of our YouTube videos.
No. I'll send it. Like as soon as the meeting gets over, I'll take a pic of mine. I'll send it. That's it.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna see what she says about. She said yes, we'll do it. Okay, wait. I'll be like,
Roshan,
Yes.
what you doing?
I'm gonna see if she can join the Zoom meeting for us real quick, so we can explain to her like what we want drawn.
Yeah.
You're gonna pretty much be explaining to her, obviously, because it's you're the designer.
No.
Yes, Roshin. Yes, that's what you get. I'm happy.
No, you're going back.
Ah,
You know you're going back.
no way, Roshin.
You are going. One way or the
You
other.
should stay in the backseat. Just stay there.
No.
Okay, well, how's
Yeah.
our wireframe? So that's our wireframe then, right? Our wireframe's done.
For the landing
Kinda.
page, kind of.
So I have to fit in the words, and once the animation's done, we can start getting into development. Dude.
If she doesn't like Zoom meetings, that's not gonna work.
Yeah. Why? Did she tell you anything?
If she doesn't, she doesn't want to. She's talking about she doesn't want to use a Zoom meeting to like explain like how the computers will look and stuff. So if someone can't communicate and they want to stand up work and be like that, then I just don't want to deal.
That's how most of the people in Upwork are, dude.
No one's been like that except for her. Like you're gonna have to be able to work one-on-one with someone, T. Like you know what I mean? Like you're gonna have to be able to work
That's true.
like this. It's not gonna work just like this way.
What not?
There's so many people who applied for that job, by the way, the graphic designer job.
Roshan,
Yes.
my question is, how is this animation so good, bro? I mean, the dog studio thing, it's not lagging even a bit. It's so
It's
seamless.
optimized. It's optimized. It's made for
How?
that.
What's it made with? Can
How?
So one of it, the dog is a 3D model, 100%. So
Yeah.
they use something called WebGL. It directly connects with your desktop, your PC's graphic card.
Oh, that's the reason.
That's
Okay,
the only
fine.
reason. If that wasn't there,
That's
dude,
what.
like no one would try it. That's why
Exactly.
on
I
mobile,
mean,
you just open it on mobile. It's gonna stay there, or it's gonna be a 2D, 100%. Just
exactly
because
what I was thinking. Like, I mean,
hey,
how
I
could a
think I
browser
told
do
you.
such a thing, bro?
I
No,
think I told
no,
you.
I don't know.
didn't. Yeah,
No,
it's
this
used in
is
games also, like web-based games. Even they use WebGL now.
nice. I like how for each and every heading, the
Oh my
thing
god, I've
changes.
spent $530 on Upwork so far.
Oh,
That's crazy.
and $55 for that was me.
It was worth it. Every penny.
Thanks.
Every penny. Hang on real quick. Oh, no! Oops. Okay, wrong thing. Okay, here we go. Share screen. See, because look, why would this lawyer message this back to me?
Hey Rosh, what does .io mean? Like .com, .io? What?
.io is actually for input output. Okay.
Guys, I wanted our domain to be .studio.
Is there a domain like .studio?
Yeah, you can have a .studio.
We
domain.
can. Yeah.
But I already have.
Oh.
But listen, madempty.com's already the LLC though. So
Yeah, that's true.
no, actually, we can do madempty.studio. We don't have to do madempty.com as long as it's
Okay.
madempty.
Wow.
I wanted one to be called Clayton Studio. I think that'd be cool. Clayton Studio. Maybe we should just do that. I'll buy. You know what? Do you guys want to start over with like a whole new brand and everything?
Dude, no.
What? No, why?
No.
You don't want to like a .studio? What about Clayton.studio? You don't think that'd be cool?
Like for like what? The
Clayton
purpose?
Studio.
What do you want to
Clayton.
do? with that?
Clayton.studio. What about madempty.studio? You guys want to do that? We can get a whole new host and everything.
Like for and do what? Like what do you want to do with that? Like what's the company about?
Well, no, not the same thing. Not the same thing. I'm just saying. Just like
Oh,
instead,
same thing. Okay, just
Yeah,
the
name.
Okay, got it.
just
Domain.
instead of madempty.com, it would be madempty.studio. And we would pick a new host and like we'd pick a new like host and stuff. Which one we could pick one that's not just the United States. We can pick like I can give you the choice, Rush, to pick whatever host you want.
Okay, hosting. So like DreamHost, you mean? Okay, got it.
Do you not like DreamHost?
Like I liked it because the price is very low and it's affordable. That's really good. I liked it.
Yeah. Okay, well then we'll just keep .com then, I guess. I just think .studio sounds cool, you know? All right, cool. Oh my God, Brad messaged me back about being a coach.
What?
Brad.
Oh God, he said, You and your team are in a great position to develop something great and to be flexible and figure out how to grow and thrive. At this time, I'm very busy with other projects and I really am not in a position to make any time commitment. Ugh.
Okay, so guys, what do we do now?
Good for Brad though. You know, I feel bad for him.
Brad.
Remember Brad?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I-
He's a coach though. He's just a coach. He's
The
not even
startup coach. Yes.
he's not even a project manager. Like
Yeah.
you know, like he's $100 an hour. I feel like this whole time, you know, my dad told me, he's like, why don't you, he's like, you know, you guys are being kind of lazy that you guys just keep worrying about a project manager and you guys can do it yourselves. I'm like,
Yeah, we can do it ourselves actually.
forget it. I don't want to. Okay, wait. not an
Why
hour.
though? Why though?
Okay, she said she'll get back to us soon with the cartoons. Okay, T, I need that picture. And then as far as
Yes.
what we're doing right now, we are going to be doing, we're hoping that Sasha joins at the right time. And if not, then we have to find someone else, which I really don't have to find someone else, to be honest with you. But I'm going to be sending him money up front. And so I found a lawyer to help me write a contract for him because I was like, I trust my guys to send the money. Like, but I was like, I don't know you. You know what I mean? He's like, oh, PayPal will just send it right back to you, you know? I'm like, no, I don't think so. That's not how it works. He's like, no, you just say you weren't happy with the services and they'll just send it back. I'm like, no, I don't think that's how it works, Sasha. Like, you know?
Yeah.
Like, so I don't know what to do. So I asked a lawyer if he would help me write a contract.
Okay.
And this is for the lawyer. This is for the what we need. The NDA.
Okay, no disclosure agreement. Got it.
Because you know I can do something like Rocket Lawyer.
Alex, I think you can find a lot of documents online for NDAs.
I know I can do it. I can ask a lawyer right here. I pay $40 a month and it's unlimited questions.
Ooh.
You can sign documents, you can do all kinds of cool things like copyright protection, all kinds of things. For $40 a month, you get like unlimited, like, yeah. So yeah, what do we do next, guys? Are we doing the wireframe? We're done with that?
Yeah, the landing page is done. So not done, pretty much done. So we can actually start getting into design and element. But then again, we need an animator for that.
We need an animator, like Lottie, Lottie.
I don't know. Roshan should be knowing about that because I don't know much about web animations. Roshan,
Look at all these people.
About what
Who should I
animation do you
pick? Who should I
the
pick?
the animation we were thinking about, the laptop thing,
Laptop.
the one we talked about yesterday.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
We need someone for Lottie, right? Like,
Lottie JS. Yes.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Oh, by the way,
okay, which one should I pick, guys? Look at all these people.
So web anime. There was something called web animator. A guy. Web animator. Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, this guy. Yeah, this guy. I forgot,
that-
guys. We have
is that
someone waiting for us to interview them. Fuck. Oh my God, where is he on? He's on Discord. Right here. Okay, go to Matt.
what
MP.
is he? What
Go-
is he?
He's a web. He's Lottie. He's so right here. Go to design discussion. It's the old monk.
Design discussion. Yeah. Oh damn. Lol. We forgot about this guy. Yeah. He came in yesterday.
Yeah, this is his work and stuff, guys. He wanted me to. You guys want to check out his
Yeah,
work?
that's good. That's good. I checked out. It's
You did?
good. but Not that good though, because
not
most
that
of them
great.
are just Lottie files. Yeah.
He
It's
said he can
simple.
talk.
Karan, did you check it out? Then?
No, I did not, bro.
Okay, guys, he's about to join us.
Okay.
All right, cool. All right, so then that's all UT. You can go ahead and just tell him like how we want it, and we can start designing right now.
Yep.
He said I can show my face, no problem with that.
Well, did he share that? Okay.
Hmm. Roshan, does he have any on-scroll animations in
No,
the
dude, all our
portfolio?
Lottie files, we'll have to do that on scroll. That's fine. Like if we get the Lottie file, then it's easy, da.
You
It's
sure
just
about
like,
that?
yeah, da.
That's
It's
what,
just
that's
like
what
a
Sasha
div,
said.
okay?
That's what Sasha said.
Yeah, that's what even he told. Like if you get a designer, even he can do that. But even we can do that. But this guy can do more complex stuff. Like Sasha can do more complex stuff using
Okay,
JSON.
Roshan. So wait a minute. So if you can have a JSON file, can you do something with that? Can you make on scroll with a JSON?
Lottie.js is a JSON and binary file.
Because on Figmotion, you can actually export it to JSON files.
I don't know, but it should support this one. Hey, Lottie is a different format, like this one.
Okay,
It's
gotcha.
a binary. It's a binary format. It's not JSON.
I can show my face, no problem with that.
How's Addy been, by the way?
Oh,
Today is-
Aditya.
Addy, how's he been?
Yeah, he's pretty good, Alex.
He messaged me, so
Oh,
he just asked how I was doing, like everything. Addy.
sorry, didn't get you.
Addy messaged me just how I was doing it, like, hey, how are you?
Yep.
Yep, just kind of weird how that happened. Anyways, I don't talk about it. So moving on, I'm just like pissed. Okay, here he is. Okay, here he is. Okay, here he is. Okay, professional face.
He's in. Yep.
Hi.
Wait, now he can hear.
Hello.
You. Hello.
Hello, Alex. Hi, this is Fahad.
Hey, Fahad.
Hey, Fahad.
Hi. So this is Taran.
Hi,
And
Roshan.
yeah, and so I'm the UI designer plus content writer.
Okay. Okay, so this is Fahad. I think Alex have described about me. I'm an illustrator and motion designer. So
Okay.
let's talk about the project.
All right, cool. Let's
Yeah,
get
sure,
started.
Fahad.
If you think
Okay,
you can do it, let's start immediately. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, T. Tell him.
Okay, so Fahad, did you look into the Doc Studios website?
Yes, I did.
So what do you think about that?
I can do that. That's what I can see, but that's what I can say actually. But there is a tweak with the codes and the website design. I can do the animations and all sort of things. But when the animation happens while scrolling down the page, this has to be done by the web developer or designers, as far as I am
Yes.
concerned.
Got
So
it.
I can
Okay.
do the animations. I can do the animations, but the tweaks has to be done from the web developers.
Yeah,
This is
we're Karen, show him what you made earlier, please. Show him like what you made earlier. Like to kind of
Yeah,
show like
sure, sharks. Okay, and also Fahad, I had this question. So in that website, the Doc Studios website, as you scroll, the animation also changes, right? The wolf kind of rotates to the left and it kind of
It
turns.
scales up, scales down, and then rotates.
Yeah. So how do you if you just given a normal animation file to Roshan, he's gonna be doing the backend part, the complete part, whatever you just told about. So if you're gonna give that to Roshan, how is he gonna like, turn that up or stuff like that?
I can actually give you SVGs or SVG animations, animated GIFs, or maybe Lotus, but
Okay.
I don't know
Lotus.
how the backend works. I don't know how
You get okay. You're getting into Lottie, then no issues.
This is why Alex contacted me, I believe, and that to make Lotus, and yes, I
Got
can give you Lotus.
Yes,
I have
that's fine.
shown my examples as well.
Okay, so let me go on through the idea for the landing page. So Fahad, as soon as you enter, you have the navbar, and then in the front section, like as soon as you enter, you're gonna have this old school computer laptop kind of thing. Okay, so that is gonna be the background. That is gonna be the background for the entire site.
Okay.
I mean for the entire landing page.
The
So
whole
as I scroll, it's going to be pretty interactive. So as I scroll, it should kind of, turn to the right and 3 to 4 screens coming out of it and kind of skew and then multiple screens coming out of it. But then, something like a laptop turning into a phone.
Okay, some sort of transition, I believe.
yeah. So
Yes,
like old
yes.
school from old school computer to like modern age now. Like to kind of show
Yes.
from like old school 1980s computer to like now like modernism, I guess, something like that.
Yes,
And the
there's
art
also
style
the
should art
yeah.
style should be like the reference website you gave me, like those line arts and little retro feels.
Yeah, like we need to make it unique though. That's gonna be the trick about this. We need to make it to where if someone saw it, they wouldn't be like, oh, they totally ripped off Recap after use. So we need to
Okay.
make it. We need to make it to where that's where you come in though. That's where we're hoping that your creativity can like come up with something. I really like the colors. Okay, so like I like the colors against the black. I think that stuff's really cool. But like I said, I don't want to rip them off. So I don't want to use them as like an idea.
Mhm.
Do you have any ideas?
Well,
Maybe like I know that you're a creative person. What are you thinking? Like.
I have some small glimpse that I'm getting into my head, but once we agreed upon on a similar note and start working with that, on the initial stage, I will generate multiple mood boards so that we could focus on a specific idea. I'll brainstorm my things and present to you so that you can choose from those options which to take and what to uh, how are we moving forward.
And by the way, if we like you, you would work on future projects with us, if that's cool with you. So like,
That's future, but it has to be done after I finish this perfectly.
okay, I'm just letting you know. Yeah, like for future projects, when we have clients, if they need animation, we'll probably end up, we'll be using you if we like you. Is what we're saying. Okay, Cameron just messaged me, guys. That's good. So you guys handle this. I'm gonna talk to Cameron really quick.
Yeah, sure. So, okay. So how about Fahad? Something like as soon as you enter, there's an old school computer, and once it scrolls to this part, everything that's digital. The old school computer, as you scroll, just turns into a modern laptop or a computer. You get the idea, right?
Yes, I get the idea.
Yeah, and then further, it just continues to evolve. Something like the laptop, and then once it's past this digital thing, it comes into personalized solutions, and then the laptop kind of skews to the right, and then
Mhm.
you have multiple screens coming out of the laptop to just kind of show different kind of works.
Mhm.
each
Okay.
each screen kind of different, and then again I scroll down to we make mobile first, so the laptop just kind of turns into a mobile, something like, you get the idea, right?
Yes, I get the idea.
Yes. So yeah, so basically everything should work based on scroll. And then Roshan,
Yes. Hmm?
so Roshan, if scroll is also going on, can we also have the parallax animation going along with it? I mean, if I move my cursor to the right, everything
We'll
kind
have
of
to
tilts
try
to the
that.
right.
Yeah, that will have to try.
Have you seen something like that, Fahad?
Yes, I have seen, but if you can give me some examples of what.
I will surely give you an example.
Yeah,
Roshan, can
sure,
you
please,
share that link, our
Basic layout.
site link? Yeah,
Let
basic
me
layout too.
see. Yeah, got it.
Put it on chat.
Yes. Done.
Gotcha. So yeah, Fahad, can you look at this? As
Yes.
wherever my cursor moves, that is kind of a the thing moves along with it. It just moves according to my cursor.
Yes, I can see that.
Yes, Fahad. This is what we meant by, the entire site should be basically like this. And also animations that works based on scroll.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's what we wanted from you.
So I can make these animations, and
Yeah,
the rest has to be done by your end.
Roshan.
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry.
So yeah, Roshan, I think you can talk that out with him. I mean, the scroll part, everything, whatever it is.
Yes. No, like
Just
if
talk
you
it
get
out
the
with him.
Lottie part, then using GSA, you can use it using scroll trigger. That I'll take it after that, after the Lottie part. But yes, he told he can give the Lottie part, so it's good. Yes.
Okay then.
Yes, I'm an expert in
Yeah.
making lotties, so
Nice.
I will handle those things. So
That's good. Thank you.
let's talk about let's talk about how we can move forward
Yeah,
and
let's
identify
start brainstorming ideas.
brainstorming ideas and how do this project is going to be start, the payments or maybe the pricing, this sort of things, the
Okay.
deadlines as well.
Okay.
That
So wait, by payments, do you mean your payment, right?
Yes, I mean,
Alex,
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah, Alex, you have to talk
like
that with Alex.
she was the one who hired. Like we,
Yeah.
okay,
okay,
okay.
she's texting the thing.
Yeah, so we'll talk about that in private, okay? Hang on real quick. Let me see. Unless you want to talk about it now, I don't care. It's up to you. If you want to talk about your stuff like that now, we can. I don't care. Hang on real quick. How your designs. Okay, so Cameron says she's gonna write us a proposal, guys. I really hope that she picks us. I really like her, you know. Did you guys like her? I really liked her a lot.
I liked Cameron, dude.
I really like her,
Wait,
dude.
what
She's
is
nice.
what is our role?
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. So fine. Sorry. Okay. So how long do you think this will take you then to do? Like, how much are you thinking this will cost us?
Did you ask me?
Yeah, I'm asking you. Yeah.
Okay, so I think a week will be a better option for me to pull it off very comfortably, focusing on the brainstorming as well and the revisions, everything covered within this 1 week.
How much? That's what I'm asking you. Just how much? Like, how much you want?
I have to still think. Please, can you send me the mock-ups and a detailed project brief, maybe written in something? Can you do that?
How about this? I send you 100 to start and 100 to finish. Is that cool?
Uh, seems fine for now, I think.
For now, like, what do you mean? Like, yes or no? I need to know. Because if yes, I'll send you the 100 now.
I think 300 would be a better option for me.
300? Oh my gosh.
Yes.
What do you guys think? Do you think 300 is kind of a lot? What do you guys think?
But it's
I don't know about-
it's some complicated work as well. The option is has to be from your end.
What do you guys think? T Roche, I mean, that like I don't know. What do you guys think?
I don't know how Lottie works and how much of work goes into that. Roshan.
No, I don't know. Dude.
I mean, Ash charged
everything's in that,
$200 for a whole explainer video. Remember?
Hey,
Yes.
let me explain this way.
Okay.
Explain this way. So Lotties are just simple animations, just like as you explained, as you just recalled the animations, the explainer videos. This is also made in After Effects, but it has to be exported in other platforms like the Lottify's website. They have a specific plugin which has to be used to export these JSON files. But the thing is, the animations you were looking for, these are some complicated animations. These are not those typical explainer videos or things like that. It has to be this way, and I have my pricing as well. According to my pricing, I think 300 would be a good option for me.
Okay, does that include animation on other parts of the page too, or can that include like the design all over, or is that just like the home page?
I just briefed only the home page.
Alex, so he is telling only the laptop animating, opening up different screens come out, it strings into a mobile, like just what Tarun
Do
showed
you
you.
need more animations?
it.
Do you need more?
So,
We were considering for mobile. We were gonna have like small animation on mobile. Do you know how that works, by the way, with mobile?
Sorry.
Like, can you guys help me out, please? Like mobile, will it work on mobile? Like we're still trying to figure out how animations work on mobile.
Okay. So what do you need from me? I'm a little bit confused here.
Okay, so
okay,
these
yeah.
animation, the one which is on Dog Studio, they use 3D objects. So, but you're doing it in Lottie. Like I don't know how 3D works in Lottie. I don't know how it works. But as far as I know,
give me a moment. Can you just paste the link of that website?
Yeah, and for mobile,
Yeah.
is what we're saying. So do you know how it works for us to get animations on mobile?
Yes, I know. I have designed so many animations for applications.
Okay, that's fine. So do you want me to pay you through PayPal, or do you want to get paid through Upwork? Upwork charges a fee. So if I'll pay you through Zoom if you promise, if like I'm getting a lawyer right now to write like a contract for me for like when this happens, when I pay you guys and stuff up. I would just want to pay you. I mean, I would pay you. I mean, if I can pay you 150 now and 150 later, do you want to do that?
I would prefer working via Upwork.
I don't want to do
Because
Upwork. I don't like Upwork. I just don't like, like I'm offering to pay you right. Like Upwork takes 20% of your stuff. Why do you want to give Upwork 20% of your hard work earned money?
because it's safe. That's why.
Safe. I'm the one that's losing out. I'm like, I'm sending you money up front. Like, what do you mean? Like it's safe. Like it's because,
Okay. Hey, can you send the website link of the
I sent it in the
Yeah,
chat.
Yeah, it's on the
Zoom
chat.
not this
Yeah.
one, the other one, the one that
Okay.
Alex sent me.
Oh, recap after using it.
Okay.
Yes.
just because, yeah, I only feel comfortable like doing the 150 up front just in the beginning, and we can take a milestone just because who knows, you could, just completely decide that you hate me and then just leave in the middle of it. I've had that happen to me before.
It's not like that.
I know, but that's what I
First-
thought. This is one of my close friends, so I thought that wouldn't happen either. So it's something personal. It's just, you never know, you know what I mean? So I just want to protect myself that way, but I promise you will get the other, we can even, like I said, I'm gonna have a contract right now. I'm having a lawyer as we speak right now, make a contract for me to give out to people for like when I pay them up front. So we'll even sign a contract, our own contract, like real business. So Upwork doesn't take 20% from you. You know what I mean?
Yes, I know what you mean. And I think I'll be okay with that. And before starting that, let me ask you some questions. First of all, Tarun, I
Yeah.
hope I have pronounced your name correctly. So
Yeah, that's
Tarun,
correct, Fahad. Yep.
yes. So the on the website that says weekend of use, it's not 3D. It's actually called 2.5D or maybe the fake 3D or isometric illustrations. So these are pretty much 2D, and it can be done in Lodis. I have done it, so it is not going to be a problem. I hope I have clarified your confusions.
Okay, Fahad. Yeah.
Okay. So moving on to the project that we're going to start. I want to know: is this the only 3 animations on the homepage? Just you briefed. Is this the only animations that you need, or you have more?
I mean, this is what we brainstormed yesterday.
Yeah, we just
This
did
is
this yesterday. We don't know yet.
Yep.
So yeah, we're gonna get
If
into
you can,
So-
if you can bring in some intuitive ideas, then why not?
Okay.
So-
Let's start with this one. If things go right, we can work in future as well.
Sure.
Okay. So Tarun, one more thing. The
Yeah.
laptop which you told, right? So that should be like Dog Studios right now. So as you
Yes.
scroll, like it rotates, it scales up. That's what you wanted, right,
Yeah.
Alex?
Yeah.
So it's
yeah.
a 3D. So that's why I said
Yes.
Dog Studios. It's a 3D. I'm asking you,
Yes.
how are you gonna do that in Lottie? Because I don't know. Like, does after Lottie have that feature of doing 3D animation?
Lottie, the main limitation with Lottie is that
Okay,
it is very lightweight, first of all, and
fine.
it can't handle any sort of heavy things. Because once you try to export heavy animations, it just breaks out. So
Like 3D.
yeah, maybe I haven't tried 3D. I'm not much expert in 3D. But
Okay.
I can do things in 2D, just like the recap after use. I can do these things. Maybe make transitions, smart transitions, or maybe some sort of illusion to
But we
make
want
it
it like
look
the wolf though.
Okay,
That's what
like
I'm gonna say.
yes, I don't think you got us right. So I didn't think if you heard what Tarun said. So the laptop comes in the middle. It is a 3D object. It has to rotate, and if it has to rotate, it cannot be 2D.
Oh, okay. So then it will
So
be a complication. It will be a complication. I can only do 2D. I am not a 3D animator.
that's what I was asking.
I mean, do we have to have? I mean, you guys, we're pretty stuck on having 3D, right?
Like we were thinking of having 3D. So
Okay, so who do we hire for this then? Like a 3D animator?
Yes, in my opinion, you have to hire a lot designer or
Yeah,
who
that's what I'm
can
thinking.
do.
That's what Sasha said. Sasha said we need to hire someone like him. Like, we need to hire some. How do you pronounce your name? Can I call you Fahad? I like that. That's a cool name, Fahad. Okay, so do we? So Sasha said that we needed to hire a animator to work or a graphic designer to design these, and then Sasha said that he would implement it.
But the animation, if the animator can make the animations, I think he can export it as well. I
You are
don't
an
know
animator,
what.
aren't you? Are you an
No,
animator?
no,
Yes, I am an animator, but I'm a 2D animator. I am not much expert in 3D, so it's better to not pay me anything rather than pay a 3D designer who can actually
Have you
do the
tried
work.
3D before? Why not just try it?
Yes,
I'm
yes, I did.
serious. I believe that you could
Yes,
do it. You seem very driven. Like you seem very like you kind of remind me of Ash. I feel like yeah, I feel like have you ever tried 3D before? 3D before?
yes, I did. I did, but I'm not expert. So
You don't have to be an expert. It's fine. Do you think you can do this or not? Like if you think, I mean, I'll give you the chance to try and I'll even pay you more if
no,
you accomplish
no,
it.
I'm not going to commit to that.
Okay.
Because this is work and this is serious. If I can't keep my commitment, the loss will be yours. I'm getting paid, but loss will be yours.
You have to lose
So
to
I'm not.
win.
Sorry.
You have to lose to win sometimes. Like literally, like Tyron didn't even Tyron's learned web development within 2 months. Like literally, like most of the guys.
I think it is waste of time. I think you should look for someone. If you want me to do, I can look for someone for you if I have anyone in my mind, or find someone in my connections. I can look for that. I can refer you to that guy, but I can commit to that. I can do this sort of things. I'm not expert on
Okay,
that.
so what program do you use then for 3D animation? It's not After Effects, right?
No, after the 3D animations mostly used by Blender or maybe Cinema 4D. These are popular tools right now, but there are more tools like Adobe Maya. Adobe is not Adobe Maya. Yes, I think Maya is from Adobe, I believe.
Okay. Well, we're definitely gonna need some graphic. Why did Sasha say we needed to hire a Lottie? Why did we post something about a Lottie then?
No, he didn't tell anything about Lottie. He just mentioned a 3D designer. That's it.
Oh,
nothing
okay.
else.
So I must have posted the wrong thing. That's my fault then.
Maybe. Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
it's good. Thank you for your time anyways. I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
it was good meeting you.
Thank you so much.
thanks a lot,
Bye.
Fahad.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Take
then.
care.
Thank
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Yep, you too.
It's okay, guys. We'll get this figured out. I promise you. Now that I know who to find, there's so many people who do 3D animation. It's crazy.
But he's genuine, dude. I like that. He
was
just
pretty
told
genuine.
it. Yeah, dude.
I liked him, so I didn't want him to leave. I liked him. I was
Hey,
like,
Roshan, are you pretty sure that 2D cannot rotate and skew?
Obviously, that's so. Hey, come on, Dataran. Like,
Oh my god! What am I
stop
even
act.
thinking? What the heck am I
Exactly.
even
Stop
thinking?
acting like a third standard kid. That's. Oh, nothing.
A 3D laptop.
See,
Bro,
like,
Roshan, only if
good.
you
I
get-
asked him, dude. Like,
yeah.
what the heck?
I-
Like, I knew
Like-
he didn't get it. Like, I wanted a gap to ask him. Everyone are talking, and even that guy's like, oh. And suddenly he asked about the pay. Like, that's fine, but why not explain him first? Like, that was my thing.
So we can only continue once we get a guy, is it?
So, but like, yeah, we are sticking to 3D. So I was thinking, if you, Alex, if you want him, right? If you actually want Fahad, we can convert our, like, drop.
well, let's
the
talk to a 3D person first. Let's talk to a
Yeah,
3D.
fine. Okay, yeah, better.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
tons of them on here. I will have one to us in like literally probably 10 minutes. Just give me like 10 minutes. I
Okay.
should become
Till then-
a job recruiter after this. You can hire people. You can hire like seriously. They're called like job recruiter. Like you can hire someone to search people for you.
right?
Yeah.
Man, I'm telling you, like, yeah.
Till then, what do we do, boy, guys?
So we have to have 3D. Okay, so we have to have the 3D guy first. Okay, so we have the vision and everything then of what we want. Okay, well, I wish that Sasha would freaking join so we can ask him because he told me to. Sasha posted something last night. He posted a job last night, and this is the kind of job. This is what the job that he posted said. He said that he wanted a. Where is it? He wanted a need animator for web development, graphic designer. I don't know where it went, but pretty much he said that he put that he wanted Lodi. So I'm confused. I mean, I can't believe he hasn't come on once at all to like see online. Like, to see what we're doing.
What is the time over there, by the way? What should be?
Alexa, what time is it in Russia?
Russia has multiple time zones. In Moscow, it is
Ukraine.
1 p.m.
Alexa, what time is it in Siberia?
Siberia? I think Ukraine.
In
I don't know.
Siberia, it's 7:01 p.m.
7:01 p.m. Okay.
Okay, 7 p.m. That's
I don't have an answer for that.
Okay. Then are we allowed to work on the app separately? Then what about our project? What about our project optimization?
Management tool.
Yeah. What about our project tool app?
Yeah, because we
starting
can.
with that.
Yeah,
As
Roshan.
soon
I
as
think
we are
let's
done with
start.
the thing.
No. I
No,
think
now, right now.
simultaneously. Yeah, because see, it's the landing page is kind of stuck over here for now until we get the animation.
True.
Nothing.
Fine,
Yeah,
let's do
because
that then. That's better. It's everything's 2D, right? That come.
yeah, fine, hop in.
So no,
Roshan.
we can start
Yeah,
on this.
yeah, Alex.
We can't start on it then. The progressive web app.
Uh,
I mean, not the progressive web app.
No.
Our
We can't
tool.
start with that thing. No, we are starting with the tool.
we are
for
starting
now
with the tool. Yeah,
because
Okay, cool.
we are actually stuck with our
Landing page.
page for now without a 3D thing. So yes, we'll move on with the thing. Where is the PM? Where?
So we can do the tool then.
yeah, we are doing the tool now.
continuing.
I'm more excited about
So-
that, to be honest with you.
Exactly. We're like, what the heck? You want
Yeah.
the tool first?
Yeah, but then the site is the main thing, right? That's our portfolio.
Well, yeah, of course, but I mean, like, if we're
Yeah.
this is gonna be like the moneymaker, I would
Like
think, right?
you know Alex, right? Alex likes apps more than
Apps.
websites.
Yep.
I do. I have a thing. I have a thing for
Where's
most-
it gone?
It's PM tool wireframe. I'm in it.
Well, and guys,
Oh,
think
yeah.
about it. We would be creating like a product. Like, it's just something we could sell. You know, and like it's just
Yeah.
something we can put our name on and be like, "Okay, we own." You know what I mean? It's a big deal. Like anyone, like this is like a product that we create. This is more important than I think than like. I mean, we're gonna need a website, of course, but like creating like this kind of software for people would be like a game changer. Like we could really like help people.
Yes, that's
That's more important than like our cool website. You know what I mean? Like I want a cool website, don't get me wrong, but like think about that. Like this tool is bigger. This could reach out so many more people. You know, it could be really big. If we designed a tool for people to help in their workflow, like man, like that would be awesome. Like how cool would that be? Like it's better than okay, look at their cool graphics on their website. It just means more, you know?
True, Alex.
Plus it's a lot plus I mean it's a lot of money would be made is to be made in that as well. So which all of our names are going on that, by the way. So I'm remember even though yeah, all of us. So that means for each of us we would get, you know. So it's not well one person gets more. It would be all of you guys would be the creators and founders of that product. So that's why it's so important that like you know we kind of make it like a baby. You know, it's like a baby.
Okay. So so we are
Okay.
gonna have that at launch, is it? Like making project management tools.
Rush knows. I don't know.
okay. You're asking me. Okay, I thought you're asking. me. Okay.
I'm asking both of
So
you. Yeah.
see, yes. So I don't Alex. See, look, I don't recommend we sell it right away at launch because I guarantee you there are going to be bugs and issues.
Oh, of course. Yeah, that's
So,
what I mean. I
yes,
know. Oh,
yes,
absolutely. Yeah,
yes.
absolutely. But we
So
need to.
I recommend we'll keep it ready. We'll keep fixing it. We'll keep adding new features. So we will know what extra features we need for the tool only when we use it.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, why not you let's use it for our clients first. So let us use it. I recommend we use it first.
Of course.
Then let's fix
And
the
build
bugs,
on it, make it better
good.
and stuff.
Yes.
But how do we
Yeah.
start it? Like, what do we need to just do? You,
So
that's-
we're starting now. We're starting the wireframe now.
do you
and,
mind to bring in
which-
someone back in to help you? Like, that's a lot of work.
No, please, I want to learn. Like this will be really good on my resume. I can show people that I did this and like see like when you're going for top companies, right, Alex? So
Yeah.
people want to see projects with which other people are using. So these algorithms, if you want to get into an interview in a big company, assume Google's they give the resume, my resume to a coding bot, like a bot which screens everything. So these bots need only numbers. So if I tell like I did a project which 500 to 1,000 people companies are using.
Oh, they would
so
hire you
put
for
this-
sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they need numbers. These bots need numbers. Like Humans
I'm
didn't
trying
do
to see,
that.
like, if we were part of this, guys, it could really, really, really launch our
It'd be
career.
really
So
good,
that's
yeah.
what I'm trying to say. This is more important than anything. So, like, we need to start building this. I think I should bring someone in back in to help you, though.
Please. Like I can do this. Like that. It's not that tough. Like 3D. Like I have done all of these stuff in.
Like, okay, but let's say
Photoshop.
let's say I brought in someone back in right now. Like, what would you
Okay,
tell them?
okay.
What would you tell them to do right now?
Right now we don't have any work until and unless the front end's completed. So
Wait until
that's
what?
why I'm until the complete a demo, Tarun, a prototype. A prototype is completed.
Okay,
of the
but to make a
front end,
prototype, like,
mock
how
beta.
don't you need help to make a prototype?
No. A prototype, that's a front end part job. That's not back end
Yeah, I
job.
can prototype
So
it.
yes, Tarun can do that. Like Alex, you saw the mock-ups, right? The landing pages, the fitness thing which
Yeah.
Tarun did.
This is
Yeah,
all front end.
yes, something like that. When that's ready, I can see what all pages Tarun has mocked up.
So we
I
need a
can
front
see
end.
where yes.
We need a
So
front
that's
end.
the only thing. So
Okay,
till
so-
then, I'm helping the wireframe.
So we need a front end developer.
Yeah, if Sasha is in there, then we need one. Yep.
Okay, what should I put for the 3D animator? Need front end developer slash.
Front end dev is a plus. It's not required a lot. Like
Says 3D animator to. How about this? Need front end developer slash 3D animator. What else?
Tarun,
The first preference here should be Web 3D animators. The optional thing is
web.
they can be a front end dev.
Wait, first, the first thing is just 3D animation, 3D
Okay,
animator.
3D animator for
That's what I
what?
said.
For
Web animations.
No, you can export it. No issues. Like if he does that.
I'll just put 3D animator needed.
Yes, done.
I'll be like to
And
look like.
yeah, and front end dev is a plus
Okay.
in case they have one. So,
Okay.
Tarun, till that time, like, how do you extend this star? Like, it's not extending. It's
What do you
stretching.
mean?
If I extend this, see, look at this.
Wait. This thing. See,
What's it?
I have to click
Oh,
it
done,
once.
done.
Yeah.
But wait, no, not
Done.
done.
Now try stretching it.
No, look at that. I think it's this.
Okay, we'll just see how I think it takes for people to come back. And people are gonna start pouring in any minute.
Yeah, done, Roshan.
What are you selecting? The desktop or just a rectangle? Okay, done. Got it.
I did it right now.
Nice.
All you have to do is the constraints was stretch was set to
Yes, with
stretch.
the
Just-
height. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Even this.
Why are you
Hey,
making
no,
it that
no,
long?
no, sorry. Like this doesn't matter. This is gonna be static, dude. You know, right? This thing. It's gonna be same.
But why are you stretching the page that long?
Like, because this is a progress page, right? So just to show the whole flow won't fit. You'll have to scroll.
Okay,
for that.
fine. Gotcha.
Something like this. So we'll have to change these nodes.
Roshan, since we already have the wire flow, we'll get into design. Yeah.
Like we don't have like bro, come on, let's do this one the
Which one?
project. We'll finish this progress page and we'll decide what we want to have on the dashboard, and then we can start designing.
Fine. I'll put up one board on the right. What all pages. So yeah, Roshan.
First we need to figure out the dashboard page. That's the thing.
What all we are having on that?
Someone might be joining a 3D guy.
Okay.
Okay. Roshan, Instead of having a request to chat, blah 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 blah, instead of having buttons like these, what we can do is we can have the complete chat thing. Okay, it should be there, but we can put one blurred out overlay.
Fine.
It-
That's good. Okay, that's all.
yeah, a blurred out overlay saying it's blocked. So request to chat once we accept it. No, something like, but Roshan, they can't just click on request to chat and we accept it. There has to be some reason why, right? So
So-
what do you put in there? What forms are we gonna put in there?
Not, I don't know about a form. So these are, see, they come to front, they click on the front end on the left.
Yeah.
thingy, They open
Yeah.
the front end chat and they request to chat. So we
Yeah.
can see, so, and okay, instead of this one, instead of request to meet, we'll keep this button wait, on the right, and we'll add a text box. Like, what do you say?
So
You get
request
it?
to chat is gonna be for each and everything. For request to chat,
Because
front end
yes,
request to chat.
because each chat is different and unique.
Hmm. So wait.
Because why?
So
Because why do
okay.
you have to request for the entire team if they only want to talk to the front end dev? That was what I was thinking.
Okay, so hey, that's what even I meant, bro. Like you click on friend, I told you right, everything's gonna be visible. I click on front end dev on the right side instead of my chat section, it's gonna be blocked, a blurred out view saying request to chat. But then now as per what you have told me, so I have to type in my message and click on request to chat. It's gonna send
Yes.
in the
What
message,
the
right?
reason? Enter
No, not the
reason.
reason. I'm asking the functionality. So I type in something in that and then click on
Not
request to
here
chat.
on
It's
the
gonna
right.
send me a
Look at the right. Look
message.
at the right. Look at the right.
Yeah,
Look at the right side thing.
yeah,
So as soon
yeah.
as we give them access, they get normal chatting features thingy.
I mean, Roshan, like, listen, in, if that's the case, then there's no point in having request to chat because
They'll be
whoever
spamming.
whoever
Come on,
comes
dude.
in, yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, whoever comes in, they're just gonna click on request to chat. Even
They can have
that's
the option though. We need to give
spamming.
them the
We
option
can
though.
we can decline it. We can decline it. You know, right? We can decline that.
So wait,
Hey,
what is
dude.
this left?
Hey, Dumbo. Until and unless we accept, they can't talk to us. That's
I
a
got
reason.
that thing. I got that thing.
Then what? They enter the reason over here.
My question is, what are they gonna enter? Okay, they're gonna enter reason. That's what I asked you.
That's exactly. You're not letting me tell you, piece of. Magana. That time I'm telling, they're gonna enter the reason. You're not at all listening.
So give me an example. Like if I want to chat with front end, what
Mhm.
reason should I put in?
Can I? I want to see the mock-up or something like that.
They can see the
Because
markup on dashboard itself. No.
no, how will they see until unless you're not completed with it? They just want to see the progress. Assume we had a lot of issues. Okay.
Okay.
Just thinking we had a lot of the front end developer had some issues, we faced
Okay.
some bugs or something, and we're fixing it, and these people as like it's been too long of a time, we aren't getting updated. Can I see where my where the front end progress is till now? So can I get a prototype, something like that?
Okay.
Then hit request. Then if we see that's a good reason, okay, yes, we are waiting for that time, then they can hit on approve and we can send them, and they can follow, they can add follow-up questions and stuff. And after
Okay.
it's done, this is
The-
just the client side. We'll have to write it down, Tarun. This is just the client side.
Yeah, client side. I get that.
So I'm
So
creating
after
another
all of their
client.
stuff is done, we're gonna block them again. Block the access again.
After they're satisfied with that, because they know there's no reason to keep talking.
Yeah. We can put out an automated message
Or
saying,
yeah, or an automatic thing like after okay, so as soon as we mark, so what I was thinking is as soon as we mark the ticket, have you seen if do you know Act website? So see,
Mhm.
I'll tell you where I saw this thing, where I got the idea from. So like my internet broadband company, okay, it's called Act Fibernet, if you have heard of it.
Yeah, I know that.
So so if I have any issues, I open their app, I click on raise a ticket.
Yeah,
So that
correct.
was what Ivan told. Okay, so just look at this. You'll get an option, raise the ticket. Then you'll have to state the problem, like what do you want? Do you have any issues with the billing, blah blah blah, internet issues, something. So most of the time I select internet issues, and what issue do I have? Internet not working, slow speed, blah blah blah. You select that. There, the ticket is going to be raised. So the developers are gonna know, and they're not developers. Admins are gonna know that there's someone has an issue. We'll have to connect to them quick. Okay, so once they see that, yeah, you will get a notification that your ticket has been opened. In the sense, now I
Okay.
can chat to them, or I can talk to them or something, or they're gonna check it and they're gonna come back and text me back regarding your issues fixed and up further updates using that. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
once they do that, once the ticket is resolved, once that particular reason is resolved, it's going to be automatically closed. So I
Correct.
took the same idea into a chat feature because we need a chat. That those types of systems do not have a chat feature, because
Correct.
ticket most of the
Yeah. Yeah.
people,
Yeah.
like I did not get. If you give it to my dad or mom, they're not never gonna understand what the ticket is and blah blah blah. If they see a chat something like this, they can easily talk and figure it out. So yes,
Okay.
that's why
Makes sense.
chat is better. So
Makes sense. Um. Yeah. Cool.
so what are we doing now? So they enter the reason, like
Someone's here. Mo?
Oh.
Hello?
Mo?
He does 3D. He does 3D, I guess.
Hey Mo. This is
Hey, Mo.
Taran. Hello.
Hello, Mo. Hello? Maybe he's not used Zoom before. Hello? He said no, he can't.
Okay, he can't hear us.
Weird. Oh, he needs to do something with his audio then. That's something on his end then.
Like he just spoke, right?
Yeah, he
Oh,
just
we
said
heard him.
hello.
But that's something on his end, maybe that's like his audio, chip.
Okay,
Hello?
Yeah, he's here.
thanks for this meeting. I am Muhammad Salamat from Egypt.
Cool.
I don't hear chat even when I just logged in the meeting. I was hearing you. Don't know where is the problem.
We're having a hard time hearing you, Mo.
Okay.
Can you speak up, please?
Yeah, we are not able to get it.
Can you just show them like what we need? This is what we need done. We need a computer to float. Did you see the Dog Studio website? Oh, guys, I'm just like, I'm so over it. A headache. A headache.
550.
I have a headache. Mo, more money, more problems. What's up? Mo. All right, I don't know, dude. I don't know.
I hear you now. Okay, I
Okay,
hear you
you
now.
can hear? Okay, good. So we need 3D animation done, but listen, you know what I just thought about, guys? So look, even though let's say someone does 3D animation, we still need someone to draw those computers for us and stuff.
3 animators gonna do that, right?
I don't think they do. Can you draw? Can you draw?
Yeah, even the computer can be done in Blender. Okay,
We'll show you.
no problem.
Can someone please show the screen and just really quick? We need something already pre-made to just show people, already done. You know, like a video we can show them or something. I'll make a video.
Okay, I can show you some 3D model.
No,
I'm not done
not
it.
you, Mo, not you. I'm gonna. One of my guys is gonna show the screen of what we need done. I believe that you have the skills. I saw your portfolio. Can someone please show him?
Arun.
Yeah, sure. I'll.
Okay.
Hey Mo. So this is a landing page. This is like a prototype of a landing page. So
Yeah.
as soon as I enter into my page, the first thing that's gonna show up is a laptop, a computer, something like this. It's just something like this, and then it's gonna be a 3D model. So if I move around my mouse, the 3D model should move around along with my mouse.
Show
Okay.
Dog
Get it?
Show Dog. Yeah, Dog Studio. I'll show it.
Yeah.
Like this.
So you can look at my screen, right? So if I move my
Yes.
mouse around, yeah, the 3D model also moves around with it. So
Yeah.
So that is one requirement. And the next thing is,
Yeah.
as I scroll down, the laptop should just kind of transition into different phases. So something like if I come into this part, everything that's digital. So if I come into this part, the laptop should kind of, turn to the right, skew to the right, and then multiple screens coming out of the laptop, just kind of showing different kinds of work. And then if
Yeah.
I scroll to we make mobile first, something like the laptop turning into a mobile view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is the. So I can do the model and texture it. Okay. But the web thing is related to some one expert in web design, not me. Okay. So I can
Okay.
do you the laptop design and can do the more iPhone design and I can make texture and color of it very good. But I don't have relation to the web thing. I can't do anything on it.
I don't understand what he's saying. He can't do
Okay.
it.
He says he can do the laptop. He says he can do the mobile and stuff like that. But then he's not able. He cannot do us the, the transitions and stuff.
Because we need an animator. We need someone who does that then. We need someone we need a front end developer to do that, right?
Okay, I can make animation for it. Okay.
We need the
And
animation.
any-
We'll plug it in. We'll plug that part in, right? Is that how it works? I don't know. I don't know how this. I mean, like I thought. Ooh, like do
What
we need
happened,
front
Alex?
end?
I didn't get you.
Like is front end the one who does it? Like I don't know.
Okay. You need a web designer. Okay. Beside me and all web designer, the round thing is related to the web page design, not the animation. The animation make video of it, make something movement, keyframes. Okay, this is a thing I can do. I can make video for you,
Yes.
and you
Like this,
you
Mo.
put it in anything you want, a web page or anything you want.
Oh,
But
listen.
I don't have any experience in web design.
Like this.
I
Mo.
don't design web pages. Okay.
Can you do this?
Okay.
Can you do stuff like this?
Yeah.
Arun, stop your screen.
Mo, can you do stuff like this?
I can. I don't know. I don't have any experience in web design. Okay. My experience totally in the CD design and the animation. I can do a very good animation and design. I can do the design of this laptop with this good color, but I can make also animation of it moving. But I don't have any experience of this mouse thing related browsing. Okay. I don't any experience of it.
So who do we need for that part then?
Well, you need a designer, 2D or 3D, and a web designer. Okay, web designer. This is the web designer who makes these things, not
Designer?
the
Okay, a
3D
designer.
model.
Okay, so we need a designer to design it, and then you make it move.
Yeah, I say to you, my experience in just modeling and animation of it. I don't have any experience in web page design. If you need me for this thing, I will make it. But you should find another one to make this the web page design for you. Okay, not me.
Okay, do you
Okay.
think he's our guy or not, guys? What do you think? No.
Okay, so that's it.
No,
I don't know.
Alex,
We'll let you
I
know.
couldn't.
No.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.
So
Have a
obviously,
nice time.
we keep scaring everybody off.
Okay, thanks.
We keep scaring everybody off. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna have, you know what? I'm gonna ask freaking I'm gonna go into one of these rooms right here and I'm gonna ask them like who we would need to make this. Career
Alex?
advice, what was it called? It's a one channel. What?
Alex. Mo's still there.
What?
Mo's
He's
still
still
there.
here? Mo. Okay, so where is he? Okay, so goodbye, Mo. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I couldn't understand him. Dude. I
I
did not
literally
understand
didn't
him.
get it.
he was
I
freaking me
heard-
out.
I heard web, I heard designer. That's it.
He was like, "Blue, blue, blue." Okay, listen, guys. Okay, hang on. I was like, okay. Like I used to be all polite, like meeting people. Now I'm like, oh, like, you know what I mean? Like I'm so used to meeting people on like Zoom now. I'm like, whatever. Like it gets old. Okay, we have
Yeah.
React, user experience
Oh.
design, freelance. Where is it? It's called help or like developer help, visual design help. Dog studio. Okay, so
Not the Zoom link.
No.
Okay. I'm just gonna ask a question. Okay, what were you guys doing? Carry on. Sorry. You guys carry on. Sorry about
Yeah.
that.
Roshan?
Tarun, about that.
Yeah. Hop into PM2.
I am in. You're not in.
No, no, I'm in.
No, face it. And
Now we are
now,
in.
hey, no, dude, you're in. Shut up. Don't lie.
Okay. What were we doing?
The
The
I forgot. Take a note of this one. Like this is the client side. You wrote that. Where did you write that? Damn. Okay. What is this supposed to be? A first sheet.
client side.
Mhm.
See, the first thing. The first thing is they'll be they won't have access.
Another one question, if you don't mind.
What?
Why is still single?
What? Why else? I didn't hear you, Roshan. I didn't hear you.
Nothing.
Why are you still single? Huh?
Yeah, you heard that, you please.
Roshan, I can literally ask you the same question.
I'll be like, I didn't find someone yet.
Uh,
You tell the same thing. I'll beat you up. I'll beat you up.
no, no, I'm not gonna tell the same thing. It's just I'm not interested, or probably I won't even get one.
Well,
Same thing you
nothing.
with
Come
Roshan.
on.
Shut up and
No,
shut
way,
up
no,
and
way, no way, no way. It's okay, dude. I'll invite. Don't worry. At least for eating,
I
I'll
have
invite
to.
them.
Dude, chat.
Alex will be like, what the heck are these two talking in the middle of work?
And then it's up to the admin to.
But why this
Or
error? Like, we can do that later, right?
what if we forget about this tomorrow?
Yeah, then fine.
Yeah, what if I log in tomorrow and I'm like, wait, request to chat. Roshan.
Mhm.
So are we still going on with the idea of this right block moving to the left and vice
That's
versa?
totally up to you. You're the designer.
No, I mean I can do that, but I cannot realize that, right?
Okay, guys. So check
Yeah.
it. So I think we need 3 people to make this possible.
Okay.
He said that for the model, he said you need a front end developer, and I was like, but it's more than that. Would it be 3D animator? And he said, can you see my screen?
Yeah, we're looking at that.
Yep.
For the model, sure, just find an existing model available. And he goes, 1, it to be custom,
Okay.
find a custom, and then we're gonna need 3, is what it is. So like, he said we can go find one for free somewhere, but like I don't want to do
Like
that.
the model of that, yes. But we may have to pay for it.
That's cheating. I don't. That's cheating. Though. I don't.
It's not cheating, they're selling it. You won't get it for free.
I know, but I
That
want it to
too.
be our custom design.
Oh, like that. Yeah, that makes sense. Yes,
Yeah.
that's a good.
Like he's out of words. Like I mean, like who do I think we need to find. So we need that one guy from before.
Mhm.
What's his face? We need him to make the. Okay, so we need 3. So we're gonna need that one guy. So he's gonna have to draw. He's gonna have to work with the 3D animator. That makes sense. Guys, it's time for a meeting right now, and he's missing.
It's 6. Yeah, sharp 6 now. He should be there.
Alexa, turn off.
What?
Turn off what?
Alexa, I was talking to Alexa. Sorry. Oh my gosh,
And get
dude.
smart like you.
I'm like really glad that I didn't send him money yesterday. I'm really glad I didn't send him money yesterday. Fuck. Because he's just not, I just, he's just not
Oh,
showing up.
were you about to send him that?
I was gonna
What?
send him money, yeah.
Damn. Okay, that's a good timing then.
So then Upwork. There has to be better people than on Upwork to find these people. Like Discord, like so I'm gonna have to type in maybe like jobs. Like some places don't even let you job postings. Okay, so we'll just do post.
Roshan. Yeah. Okay, so Roshan, until then, I'll actually get into design of create account and login. I'll get the design done. Cool.
What about the wireframe for the progress view and the dashboard?
You do that
Okay, fine.
because both of us worry about the same thing. It's just training a lot of time.
No.
Yeah, so I'll just make this create account and login page. I'll put in whatever ideas I get. See if you like it. That's it.
Okay.
So okay, these are gonna be the wireframes. I'll put one. I'll make one section something like over here. So these are gonna be designs, Roshan. Client side designs. Okay.
Okay.
And so wait. So you got the idea what Cameron was talking about, right? So
Yeah, I got it.
privilege
Just
values.
design one login and one sign up page. Done.
Yeah.
I would think you of adding a slider. We don't need the slider. Should make
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah. Cool. Cool. Then green is gonna be client side.
Alex, so what about Cameron? Is she in? Is she ready? Like you told she's gonna write a proposal. Right?
She said she's gonna write a proposal and let us know.
Okay.
She said she'll have it by tomorrow.
Got it.
Yep. So I mean, I just hope it's not gonna be like too. I don't know. She asked us if we had what we were doing for in the beginning so far or something like that. So she said, she's like, so how's it? She's like, what's your guys' plans for like the beginning? And I told her what we were doing.
Okay.
She was like, good. She's like, that's a good thing. And I'm like, yeah, I know. So
Yeah, I know.
I was like, I know. I was like, we're implementing, but it's just, it's just hard to find the right people, for like what we need. It's just been frustrating trying to figure out this shit. Like, how they say find a problem and then find a solution, and that's where you'll know what to do. Like, this is a fucking problem. Like, you know what I mean? Like, this is a problem. Like, I mean, oh gosh, like having to find someone like to do this stuff. Like, hang on real quick. Boom, boom.
Are you back on that?
What, Rosh?
Project. Okay, guys. So we'll just take a break, I guess, for now, and then.
And then?
We don't have to take a break. I mean, we can just leave it on and work. It doesn't. I mean, are you guys lagging?
No. It's pretty good, Alex. It's fine. I think I'll just stay on the meeting and continue to work.
All right, cool. I'm gonna pause my stuff.
Yep.
I'm back.
Someone play some music or something.
On Zoom, I think it's gonna lag pretty bad.
Let's see. Um, okay, please answer, stupid Jasklin. You guys like this kind of stuff? Sail, this is a good song. You heard the song before?
I've heard the song before, Alex.
Yeah?
Yep.
I'm blaming it on my mom because. Oh, Tyron, you should hear the song that I've made so far. My new song.
I haven't heard it.
I just made it. It's good. I think you might. I think you might think it's pretty catchy.
Oh,
Here-
send it over, Alex.
No, send it. I'm gonna play it right now. Here it is.
Yeah, play it, sure.
Okay, hang on. Wait. Okay, here it is. You probably can't hear it.
Nope,
I didn't think so.
not able to hear it.
Oh yeah. Here we go. You hear that?
Nope.
What the fuck? Really? Weird.
It's pretty low. The volume's really low.
I use a lot of lows when I like make my music and stuff. Like
Yep, I know that.
I use a lot of I like a lot of I like dark sounds, I think, and it's just really dark. Like I just can't mix, man, to like save my life. I try so hard and I just can't do it. My voice sounds like a little like chickmunk on my rapping. You good? Yeah, I'm rapping. Yeah, I'm rapping. It's like so people are like, People are like, Like, what are you thinking? You think you're a rap star? Makeup on my shirt now. How many times have you heard that song?
Dude, you don't even know how many times I've heard that. You know, just to match the vocals with your backing track.
Makeup on my. You probably know all the lyrics, huh?
Probably yes.
Pull up, feeling very slick. Oh man, like yeah, it's like makeup on my shirt now. If they staring, you like the attention like it was. Did you like the little ending I put? It's like I don't give a fuck about your business partner. I don't give a fuck about the dog park. I don't give a fuck about anything you just said in your last message. I asked you to leave me alone 1,000 fucking times. That's really good, dude. That was a good one. That was a good one.
Yes.
We got some animators here. Let's see what we got here. We got 6 years professional animation experience. Look at his face. Look at this guy. He's like, oh, I better look real good. Look at him. Look, he's so happy. Look how happy he is.
Kazakhstan. Where is that?
That's like what Borat's from. That's where Borat's from, dude.
Oh,
You know Borat or whatever?
Brad, right?
Borat, yeah. That from he's like the funny guy. He's like, it's like fun. It's supposed to be funny. Oh, you guys want to hear that? This is what the last guy looked like. By the way, this is the last guy that we were talking to. Here he is, Muhammad.
Fahad. No,
Muhammad.
Solomon.
Okay, so What are you using to do what you're doing right now? T.
Figma. Doing what, Alex?
Wait, hang on. UI.
Oh yeah, Alex, can you get me a course on UI design on
Yeah.
Udemy?
I'll do it right now.
Thanks.
You want one, Rose?
He said he's gonna be back. Solid.
Okay, which one do you want?
Let's
We
see.
need a UI UX. Shoot, I was on mute the whole time. Nice. Like I literally, I gave a counter to
These are
him. telling how he's
expensive.
gonna
Oh my
be
god,
the
and
back.
stupid freaking Maddie made me fucking refund it. Oh, now they're in their hundreds.
Okay, just type in UI with Figma or something like that. Like
Freaking
make sure it's
Asian.
with Figma, not XD.
Oh, Figma.
Figma, yeah.
I like XD.
It's just I don't know why I
It's
prefer
because we started
Figma.
off on Figma.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Your first teacher, the one that who taught you first.
Damn, it's pricey.
What's with the prices? Oh my
Like
god.
in here, it's less. Let me
Pirate
see.
it. We're gonna have to pirate it then. I don't know.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Actually, I have a bunch. I already have a bunch on that.
You do?
Yeah.
I mean,
What?
there's one
Tarun,
on
Tarun.
what?
Tarun, the same course which Alex saw bestseller, 490 rupees in India in this one.
Yeah, because on Indian Udemy there's like this discount
Look.
of 5%.
Alex, wait. What if I get you the code, the
Right here.
discount code?
Look, I have it right here. This one right here. Is this what you wanted? I already have it done. I already have it.
Is it? It's on Adobe.
XD.
Oh, I have
Hey,
Figma.
Alex,
Wait, hang on.
no,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
let me see if I get. If I
Look at
can
all
get
these.
you
Look,
the
look. I have all
discount
these.
code.
Look, like Figma for UX design. Figma Webflow and Figma Masterclass. That's your favorite one. I put it all in one, by the way. 13 gigabytes. I put it all on one like video. Udemy, learn Figma, UX design.
Okay, Alex.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's the code?
Alex, JCN is in. Jacelyn.
What?
Someone's in.
Oh,
Did
who's
you
it?
invite
Oh,
someone?
okay, this is the 3D guy.
Hi guys, can you hear me?
Hey.
Yeah,
Yep,
audio
we
is
can
messed
hear
up.
you.
I can't. My audio is messed up.
Yeah, your audio is kind of messed up.
Everyone's audio is
Can you
messed up.
hear me well?
Mm,
Your audio is pretty bad.
Why does the
Yeah.
audio sound like that? I'm gonna start. Wow. Video. Okay, can you guys hear me better?
I can hear Alex and Roshi better, but not.
All right, guys, I'm gonna resend the link back. Okay.
The audio is playing out.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's better.
No,
A little
it's
bit
clear
better,
for
but still
us.
not.
was his audio.
Okay, we're gonna record him. Where's Roche? Oh, he said Roche is updating.
Lol.
He's like, now stupid Zoom's updating. He's freaking funny, dude. Okay, here's is this Roche?
Yeah.
Roshi!
Roche is in.
Roshi!
Ah, Roche is
Everyone turn on
mic,
your cameras.
Mic. Oh my
Really?
god.
Justin.
His
Who's
mic
Mike?
missed. Whatever his name was.
Jocelyn. It's here.
Jesslyn. Yeah.
He's messing it up again?
Hi guys.
Hey, that's your audio, not us. It's you.
Yes. There's something wrong with your mic. Jesslyn.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, but then there's a lot of static.
You need to fix your audio card. Settings of your laptop. Give a microphone.
I think my mic, I just checked my mic, it works fine. I mean, the
I would use
webcam
your laptop. Use your computer mic. Don't use your microphone mic.
Hold on a second.
Yep.
See, that would be his audio card. Maybe this is
Or probably his network. I don't know.
No, it's just mic. Let's look at the
I
mic.
think it's his. Okay, maybe.
Is
Yeah,
it better
turn.
now?
No, it's even worse. You need to take out your microphone.
Well, for me, it's perfect now. Can you hear me well?
You sound like a robot on crack. It doesn't sound good. You need to take out your microphone.
Yeah, that's correct.
Well, yeah, I'm changing I'm checking my microphone. I'm changing different, different speakers, but for me, it works like perfect now. I think it's not on my end.
No, it's on your end for sure.
Because all three of us are facing the same issue, so it's probably
Um, uh, when I change my speakers, one of them you sound like a robot, and the other one is fine, like works perfect.
Hang on real quick.
Oh my god.
Just take out your microphone. Matt, stop.
Is it bad? Can we communicate like that?
no, Alex.
You need to take out your. You need to go to your settings on your computer, and you need to enable your internal microphone, and take out your microphone.
Yeah, I know. I did it. I checked it and I changed different speakers. For me, it
Okay,
works.
then
I
how
have
about
no
this? How
problem.
about this? Just watch and we'll explain to you what we need, okay? Just watch, okay? So Tyron's gonna explain to you really quick what we need. All right?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Yep. Alex, can you enable that thing? Alex.
It's enabled.
Yeah, cool. Sorry, just a sec. What's that? Okay. Okay, so Jaslyn, here's the thing.
Yeah.
So this is our landing page. So once I just this is a prototype of a landing page. So once I hop in, I'm gonna see these wordings, and plus the animation is gonna be a old school computer. That's like a old school computer. That's a 3D model of it. So as I move around my mouse, the model is gonna pretty much move like relative to my mouse. So if I can you yeah, so can you see this website? So if I just hover my mouse around the screen, it's
Yes.
yes, the similar effect. Plus, so that's going to be the first criteria. The second is going to be as I scroll in, the laptop's going to still stay in the background, but the text's going to start appearing. It's going to scroll up. And as I scroll down, the laptop kind of changes, it changes. It's cues to the right. There are 3 to 4 screens coming out of the laptop. So the 3D model has to kind of skew to the right.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And then, yeah. So that's going to happen as I scroll. Okay. So that's a scroll effect. And so once I get into this part, personalized web solutions, the laptop should skew and come into this kind of position. And once I get into we make mobile first, innovative web apps. So in that part, the laptop should turn into a mobile. So it's kind of like, we are going from mobile to laptop to mobile. We make for mobile. That's the thing. So what do you think, Jocelyn?
He wants you to look at the chat.
Okay.
Yeah. So, can you hear me or should I text?
Just text because we can't hear you.
Yep. Sure, Jocelyn.
Okay. So,
Okay. Okay, so any other questions, Jesslyn? Design. Okay. Regionally. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
He's a
yeah.
graphic
If
designer, right?
no, he
What do you
said
think?
I can help you with the design also.
So who else do we need to help you then? Who do we need to help you then?
So the way it works.
You kind of sound like Predator did. You know the way. Yeah.
So who do you need to work with you, and we can get some. You need like a. You need. You're the 3D guy, so you do the visual part first, the design. Okay, so who do we need? A graphic designer? Okay, so we need a graphic designer to draw out the laptops, right?
After that, you show the design to.
Yes, first you get the visual part, and then you ask the coder to actually implement the
Okay.
idea into the website, because it's coding. I don't do coding. I'm not a programmer. I'm a graphic designer. I can do 3D. I can do 2D, but it's all about graphic design.
And
No
we can
coding.
find a front end. That's not a problem. We have plenty. We have a front end. That's fine.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, we have a front end. We have a back end. We have that part. So what would the front end do? How would so you would make this, and do you think like you can do the style that we want? Did you show them the recap after use, Keith?
Sorry, Alex, I didn't get you.
The recap after use. That's kind of like
Oh
style.
yeah, sure,
Okay.
sure.
The style that we're going for is like this. Like these colors. If you look, when you scroll down, you'll see like these pinks and these purples and like these greens, like right. See how these colors are? How do you feel about that?
Yeah. What is this exactly?
This is going to be. This is an example of how we want our. So it's pretty much like if the wolf site and this site had a baby. Like so, like we want to combine them both, but we instead of the wolf, we want to put like a laptop there, like in this kind of design, like with like the purples and like the pinks and like the color code, like you know, like when you're coding onto like a black screen, like you know, like the like yeah. Okay, you got it. Okay, cool. Can you design something like this, similar, but also at the same time not ripping it off either? Like coming up with it. We want to get like an old school's 1980s computer we were thinking of, like and feel free to put in your designs, by the way. If you have any you are a designer, so you would repeat. If you feel like there's anything you feel like you could change or implement, these are just kind of like rough draft designs first. If you feel like there's something better, let us know. You know. I think that you know, we definitely like the style of this, but like I said, we don't want someone to go on our site and be like, okay, they totally ripped off, you know. Yeah, old school computer with this kind of style. Exactly. Yes, exactly. Except, like I said, we need to have our own twist to it so people can't think we ripped them off. Okay, cool. You get it? Well, when can you start? And we can talk about your salary and all that when we're off of here.
Yeah.
And all that.
But then, Alex,
he's like $50 an hour or something like that. He's pretty expensive.
Okay. Okay. So I think I'll continue with Alex, what Alex told. So Alex, it's not going to be the old school computer throughout, right? It's like once you get in, it's going to be the old school computer. But as you scroll, it's going to evolve, right?
Yes, it's gonna evolve. Exactly. Let him know that. Yeah, let him know. It's gonna be
Yes.
evolved. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Jaslyn, the basic idea is once you start with a basic old school computer, and once I reach, we make mobile first. It's gonna be a mobile. So basically, old school computer, and then slowly it kind of morphs into a modern style laptop, and then the laptop just changed into a mobile. So that's the basic idea. Yeah. And that, yeah, Jaslyn.
I got the idea, but
Okay, hold on a second. I got the idea.
transition.
Yeah, the transition should happen as I scroll, Jaslyn. It should just go on seamlessly as I scroll. Maybe, yeah, I've got some ideas on how you can convert a old school computer to a new laptop. So I have some ideas for that. I can help you out with that. But you have to do the implementing part.
Can you guys check the chat, please?
Yeah. Okay. So how exactly do you want the animation to go transition? The laptop should also be in the same style. Yeah, I mean, okay, so okay, that's a good question. Hmm. Um, I do not have an answer for that, I think. Ax, can you answer that?
What was his question?
So his question was, so the thing is gonna evolve, right? So as it evolves, does the style of the laptop, I mean, the style from style of the old school computer to the style of laptop, like how does it evolve?
I thought we already decided it's gonna go from old school laptop to cell phone.
No. The style, the way
Oh, the
it's
style? No,
gonna,
the colors are gonna still
yeah,
stay
yeah.
the same. I mean, I would do like,
It's gonna be the same.
I would do like the same style, like with the gradients, but I would do like maybe starting with purple, and then we can transition to like maybe some lighter purples from dark purple or something, or like pinks to like darker pink, something like that. Obviously, the end color is gonna have to be different than the original color to separate it. But yeah, it's gonna be the overall same style though. I mean, like, why wouldn't it be?
Yep, gotcha.
Yeah.
So did you get it, Aslan?
Yeah, I get it, but
What? Laptop should also be in the same style. Yeah, I mean, we can pick one style for the entire thing, and then we can just evolve the the devices based on. We can just evolve the
Take my
device.
dog out to the
Yeah, cool. Can we do a WhatsApp call? Yeah, sure, Jocelyn. Yeah, we can surely do that. Or are you on Discord? If Discord works for you or anything, and WhatsApp call is also fine. We can hop in. Okay. Yeah, sure, Jocelyn. Okay. I'll add you to it. I'll add you. Rosh, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah.
I was listening. Yeah.
Plus 01 1058 745. Okay, Roshan.
Yes.
I'll call him on WhatsApp also.
WhatsApp.
Yeah, he wants to talk on WhatsApp.
Okay, fine. Yeah, if he's fine, yes. No issue.
Yeah, I'll call him. I'll let the mic be on itself. You can hear him also.
Fine. Go ahead.
Hey, Jesslyn. Yep, we can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. Can you mute yourself on your PC? I mean on Zoom. Because I'm able to hear myself.
Hey.
Hey, Jesslyn.
Oh, so much better. So, I got the idea. I got the main banner with the old school computer,
Okay.
and which when you scroll down, it transitions to a mobile smartphone,
Yeah,
and then you scroll down more, it transitions to a laptop, right?
that's correct. And
Okay.
no.
I got
I think you got
those.
the order wrong. The order is gonna be old school computer, laptop, and then a mobile.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, and the style should be like the way you see the example was, but not like exactly the copy of it, but something similar to it,
Yeah,
right?
something similar. Yeah, because our brand colors are also pretty similar to the color on that. It's gonna be pink and purple kind of thing. That's our brand color. So we want to incorporate that thing into our the style of it. Yeah.
Well, I get it. It's doable. But the only thing I'm trying to explain that. So the process is usually how it works. First, we do the visual part, which is the graphic design, the computer, the smartphone, the laptop. So first of all, I have to do those three devices as
Okay.
it should be like the final product. So after that, the working files, the coder, somebody who works with the code with HTML and CSS and JS, the web designer, they get my files like the graphic design files like PNG, PSD, or like JPEG, any format, really.
Can you
And
can you
they
export it in JSON or something like a language that's easily understandable by a browser?
I mean that's the I can send I mean I can make the save any visual like any picture format like
Okay.
available
Okay.
in Photoshop or Illustrator,
Okay.
but when to animate those things like to have the transformation, the coder have to write the code to implement it to your website. So that's not the graphic design part, it's like coding part. So
Okay,
basically
that's true.
they get the files, I can, if they ask me, I can break the files. Like for example, I can break a smartphone for like 5 pieces or 5 parts to make it kind of like realistic and cool. But like the whole animation on the website, it happens in like through coding. So all I'm responsible for is the product visual design and visual, like the final product of the visual devices. So
Okay.
in this case, it's the old school computer, the
Yeah.
laptop, and the smartphone. So like that's my part, and that's what I can do. And I'm finishing a small gig tomorrow, and I can help you use this one. But just to make sure you guys understand and like the process and how it works.
Yeah.
So you get it?
I get you. I get you.
Okay.
I got what you're gonna be delivering us. So I have this one question. Are you gonna also okay? So the transition between the old school computer and the laptop. So that's the part of the. Is that your job or is that the developer's job?
The animation is like the whole entire thing. The animation, like if you want to have the slide or change them or anything, it's all the code. It's coding.
Okay.
Like, for example, you want to like how should I break it down like in a simple way? So the product is the pictures. These 3 pictures are the product, and all the manipulations like scrolling down, changing, or like whatever you want to do, it's like through coding. So I
Okay.
create the product, and the rest is the coding part. If
Okay.
you wanna to like change them or like animate them, or if you like go scroll up, like smartphone comes up. If you scroll down, like the laptop comes up. All that stuff is coding. It's web designer, no graphic designer. I'm a graphic designer.
Okay. Because
Yeah.
because I asked you this because the previous designer we worked with, he did a
Mm.
similar job. So, but then he gave this in a form of Lottie, but that was a 2D thing. So that's the reason we couldn't get him again. So he did it himself. So as I scroll, it works. So it was done by himself, and there was a lot of transitions happening, and he did it himself through design, not code. It was completely designed. So I had this question: if can you do the same thing but for a 3D model? So that's why I asked you.
So wait, hold on. So you wanted 3D or the example Alex showed? Because
No, no,
the
no, no.
the, the
Yeah,
example
the example that we showed you, the laptop screen, that's a 2D thing, right? That is a 2D thing.
exactly. Then
Yes.
you want which one, 2D or
I
3D?
want a 3D one because I should be able to rotate it, skew it, and all, right? Because as I move my mouse, the thing should just hover along with it. So I need a 3D one.
Oh, you need a 3D. Oh, I mean,
Yes.
okay, I got it. But basically, nothing changes. I can create 3D models of the old school, of the laptop, and the smartphone. I can
Yeah.
create 3D models of them, and you can open them. You can rotate them 360 from bottom, top, any side, and uh, and that's all. I mean, that's the graphic design job ends on here. And after that, the coder, gets all the files, all the 3D models, and then they write the code to implement them, to embed them on the web page, to be able to follow the mouse or like to spin, to rotate,
Okay.
whatever animation you want.
Okay.
Basically, as like in 3D, I work in 3ds Max. I can create animations as well, but
Okay.
it's gonna be, but I can create the transitions as well. But it's gonna be like, um, it's gonna be one file. Um, like if you wanna make it like work when you scroll down,
Yeah.
you're gonna need 3 separate files. As far as I know, I mean, I'm not a web designer, but as far as I understand, you're gonna need three separate independent models of the laptop and the smartphone and the computer, and then you make it a transition. If you get if you ask me to create one file, I can create the models, I can make the transition and the animation, but I don't understand how you're gonna use that file because it's gonna be just one file,
Yeah, I
like
get
this
it.
animation inside.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the reason, because if you're able to export it to something called a JSON file, that takes care of it. So that's basically it has this timer event, sorry, scroll event that's integrated into it. So it's something like it works based on your scroll. That's how JSON files work. But okay, so let's go with your idea of making three separate models. Can you like add an additional two transition in between the first and second and the second and third?
See, I just googled JSON. JSON, like honestly, I've never worked with JSON, and I'm just googling it. It's JSON is basically, it's like, if you Google it, it's JavaScript like object, like that's the code language, JavaScript thing to make those kind of things.
Yeah,
So
but yeah.
yeah, so I've never done that, and it's
Okay.
like, again, it's coding. I can create models, 3D format, OBJ,
Okay.
3ds, FBX, like any 3D format, no
Okay.
problem. I
Yeah.
can, yeah, but I don't do code. If
Okay.
like code is not my thing, I've never worked with JSON. So
Yes. Yes.
just
Yes.
to make sure you guys understand, so we don't have any
Yeah.
misunderstanding.
Yep. So I completely got what you're trying to say. You can either give us one long file of each and every transition and everything, but that's not probably gonna be useful to us. But you can also give us three different files. That is, one being
Yes.
the old school, one being the laptop, and one being the mobile.
Hmm.
Yep, right? That's what you said.
Yes.
Yep.
And then, I mean, if you have a guy who works with the JavaScript and JSON, they can like use these models to make
Okay.
to put them together and make the transition. I think it's not going to be a problem, but I'm not sure. See,
Okay.
like that's all I'm saying. I'm responsible. I am responsible for the things that I know. Like I can
Yeah.
deliver 3D
Yeah.
models.
Yeah.
I can do the visual design like you guys
Yeah.
want, but not copy something similar and make it 3D. All that,
Yeah.
but
No, that's fine. We'll have a
the
friend in
rest,
for
like the
that.
coding,
We'll have
the JSON, the JS script, I have no idea.
no, that's
Okay.
I
fine.
mean, I know the
Files.
basics, but I'm
We just
not
need
good
the
at
3D
it.
files. No, you're
Yeah, I
fine.
get you, Justin. Okay.
How long would it take you to do something like
The
this?
only last thing left to ask you is about the in what way you're gonna export it. So I think Roshan should be the one talking about that. Can you just hop in back into Zoom and then just chat with Roshan, like what possible ways you can export it, or what exported thing that Roshan needs in what format?
Well, you just give me the format. I mean the format type, and I can deliver any whatever you guys want. I mean, if it's 3D format, like there are like basic formats. Like for images, there are basic formats for 3D, for like videos, for music and stuff. So it's should be. I think it's OBJ or FBX,
Okay.
one of those.
Okay. Okay. As Jaslyn, so if that's the case, like how long is it gonna take you to deliver this to us?
3 models, right?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, usually I do like one day. I just like Google maybe half a day. I'm gonna Google and I'm gonna research. Find some images and pictures and stuff, like all the visual, like to get some inspiration. And in this case, 3 models. Well, maximum maybe 2, maximum 3 days for the whole
3
thing.
days.
But usually, yeah, usually it's like two days. One day I just like Google and like one day for modeling is fine because it's not that like workload is not that big, but the thing is with the computer, like it's, you know, you gotta be like a lot of like small details and also like the textures to make sure to get the materials right, you know, so to make it look like you guys want. But it's not gonna be long, I think.
Okay. Okay. Yes. I've conveyed everything to Alex, Jaslyn. Yep. So
Yeah.
what do you think is going to be an estimated cost for this?
For 3 models,
Yep.
I will do it for like a couple $100 if it works for you guys. That would be fine with me.
Okay. Couple $100. Can you be a bit more specific, please?
$200.
$200. Okay.
Yes.
Alex, yes, it's going to be $200.
For 3 models, 3D
Okay.
format, any format, whatever you guys want, in 3D, and the same style as you guys want, like the same style you have in your example.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, Alex is totally fine with it. Yes, Jaslyn.
Okay.
And can you just hop in back into Zoom?
Yeah, I'm reading the chat.
Yes.
I'm not sure if I follow it, but
Sorry, my I accidentally it sent
so
The only last thing left is Roshan. Are you there, Roshan?
Yeah, I'm there.
What format do you need?
Like I don't work with 3D models. You should ask like a
Because
developer,
even
front-end developer.
yeah, so we need another guy, is it?
A front-end developer who works
Okay.
with 3D models.
yeah,
You'll have to see that.
he's just gonna export it, and then the front end guy is gonna take
Yeah,
that
he's gonna take care
and
of that.
implement it. Yeah.
Hmm.
So yes, Jaslyn.
Okay. Do you need to work with T or
Yeah.
when can we get started?
I think you can take the further conversation with Alex. I'm pretty much done. You have cleared all of my
I
questions.
mean, like I'm good. Like when can you start? When can you
okay.
start?
So yeah, should I go to the chat or?
Yep,
I mean, like,
you can go back
yeah,
to Zoom
go
chat. And Alex is
Taran?
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, he
we can
can't
go
hear
ahead.
us.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Taran?
Oh, guys, good news. Hey T, when you ready to start this tomorrow?
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, okay, so when can you start tomorrow? Is he back?
Yeah, he is.
Jaslyn?
He's on the
Yeah, here.
meeting. Yep.
Okay, hey.
Wait, I think it's proper now. Justin, try talking. Just
Yeah, I think I can hear you. I can hear you.
yeah, try talking. Leslie.
Hello.
Can you hear that? Yeah, can you hear me now?
That's good enough. That's good enough for me. So when can you start? Do you want to, can you start tomorrow?
Yeah, we just talked about it. I can start tomorrow. I can deliver within a couple of days. 3D models, just give me the format you guys need. 3D models of the computer. I mean, one computer, one laptop, and one smartphone. Similar style to your example, and $200. That's doable.
Okay. That's fine. Okay, but is this the idea that we want to do
Okay.
it here?
Yeah, like I'm not sure Alex, because like, I
I'm
don't
not.
know how to implement 3D models. So
Yeah,
we need how
because
to find a
he.
guy.
Yeah, Alex.
So like
So
if we don't find one, it's gonna be a problem.
If we don't find what?
If you don't find a front-end developer who's
We will find
Who
it. But
knows?
he said he could. Sasha said he could. Sasha, we're just hoping that he can come around.
are you sure about that? Because Alex, I just want to make this sure because what if the work is done and he gives us the models, okay? But then what if you're
Yes,
not
but-
able to find one
We
specific
will
guy?
find a developer that can implement. I guarantee we can. I promise you we can. That's not a problem. But it's just that I'm not worried about finding somebody. My point is this what the design we want to do?
yeah, it's what we
Yeah.
want to do. Yes.
Okay,
and I
then let's
agree.
do it then.
Yes.
Okay, then you're
Yeah,
hired.
let's
That's
do it.
fine. Let's
Yeah,
get it
then.
done. I will
That's
pay
fine.
you. I will pay you on Upwork, or how do you want to do it?
Upwork, yes.
Okay.
Just a regular legal.
Okay, fine.
not
Can you write the
send
bid?
offer.
Can you write the bid for me
Okay.
and send it? Can you send me the offer, please, and then I'll accept it?
If it's possible, I can. I've never done that.
Or can I do it? Do I do it, or do you do it?
Yeah, Alex. You have to do it. The client has to do it.
Yeah, I think Alex, you should do it.
Okay, hang on real quick. Let me try right now.
Just hold on a second. Can you give me the format you guys need to be specific? Because 3D is OBJ.
Yeah, you need
Yeah.
the format. Roshan, I don't know about the format yet.
Yes. FBX
So
or
I need to know the format, and if you guys have any also any examples of the phone you want and the laptop, kind of like similar, just to give the better
a
understanding.
similar one to the laptop will be
Like-
fine. And can you update us like as you get through milestone, like checkpoints, like once a basic outline of the laptop is done and a basic outline of the phone is done, can you send us a pic and can you let us show it to us? So if there are any changes, we can tell you. Like so,
yeah, obviously.
no,
Okay.
not at the end, Tarun. No, I'm asking like from the beginning. So as
You
soon
want
as
to
we
see
hit,
As he's doing it.
so yeah, so that's my question. Like, is it okay? Or because like I don't want you to like once you're done, I don't want you to give it back to you and again finish it up.
So we need to give him an old school computer design first. We'll give him that.
Yes. Yeah, we
So
can-
we'll send him a picture of an old school computer. I'm gonna hire you right now. Old school computer. So we're gonna do fixed price 200. So all right, so I'm gonna deposit $200 into the Upwork account right now. That should cover it. So, all right, I'm done. Did you get the proposal?
I got it, yes.
Okay. Cool, and the money's already deposited, so, you know, it's good. Whenever you're done and I release the funds, they'll be released to you and stuff, but, Roshan, we didn't do the
Yeah,
mile. Hello, what?
I got it. It's perfect. The only thing I need to know is the format you guys need.
Okay, what do you mean by format? What does that mean?
And
In what
Roshan,
format should he
please.
export the 3D model, Alex?
Can we figure that after you're done designing it?
Yes, that's what I was about to ask. Same thing.
Do you have to know?
I mean, I have to know it, yes, because
Okay,
it's.
well, in your experience, obviously we don't really know much about this. That's why we're coming to you. Like, what would you say in your experience the best format would be for us to use it?
No. He's asking this because what if we ask for a format that he doesn't know or doesn't?
Well, I've
do
already paid him, so and what format did he?
No. Hold on. The standard
can
is
you
usually
type-
OBJ or FBX.
What format do we need in order to implement what we need? Like, what format do we need in order to complete our goal? Hello?
He
What-
doesn't know that, Alex.
How does he not
That's-
know? You do 3D, you do 3D for, I don't understand how he doesn't know this. Like, he should know formats.
I
better than-
mean, he can give us novel formats like how you see your videos and stuff like that, but he needs to know the format
Can you
for
guys hear
what
me?
we need.
Oh my God. We're not experts in
Can you
this.
guys
I
hear
don't know.
me?
Yeah, we can hear you. We're not sure what format to use because we don't know much about 3D animation.
Listen, Alex, can you hear me?
Yes. Barely, yes.
Let me try to explain it. I do 3D models. I can create pretty much any model you want, but there are tons of different formats, like the same as pictures. There's PNG, there's JPEG, there's
I understand that. I understand that, but I'm
GIF
asking your opinion. I'm asking you would be an expert in probably
Yes.
format. Probably you probably know more about format.
Hold on. Let me finish. Okay. My
Okay, well, I'm really
understanding
annoyed. I'm really
is
annoyed by your audio. I can't hear you. I don't want to talk anymore to you because you're really annoying on your audio. It's driving me crazy. So I'm sorry, but like if you can text it because I can't stand it's hurting my ears. Your audio is like really hurting my ears. Okay, thank you.
What's up?
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Okay, so explain here, please. Thank you. I'm gonna mute you because I can't take that. Like it's like driving me nuts. Like it's hurting my ears.
Just a sec, guys. I'll be back.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be mean. It's just like, my God, like that's so frustrating. He's sounding like Darth Vader. Darth Vader sounds better than that. Fuck. I don't know what that. So I need to Google what kind of format then.
Alex, he's asking for a call.
Okay, so I need time then to do research on 3D animation. Roshan, I don't know. This is a big decision.
Yes, it's a big. I don't know if it's gonna matter. Like that's the thing.
I think we're gonna be using the standard. Like, I mean, right? Like that.
What happened? What happened? I'm back.
We're just trying to figure out the format. He said that he recommends we use the standard, and he's like, "Are you sure?" And it's like, it seems like a pretty big decision. I mean, I think the standard is probably what we're gonna use. I don't know. Like,
No, I don't know because I don't know what formats are usually web animations are made with.
fuck. He says ask our coder. Okay. Well, Sasha's not. I mean, that's like really makes me mad that he just completely ditched us like that. So it's like we really counted on him today, and he just completely ditched us. So I'm really glad I didn't like. I'm just like, it's like, oh my God. So I mean, like, I don't know. I really sucks because I was looking forward to working with him too. So. Okay, that's okay. Okay, thank you. All right, guys, let's take a break today, please. Let's take a break and let's like recoup tomorrow. We did really good today. We got a lot of progress done. Thank God, you know. So he's gonna be working on that for us. And then do you want to keep? I mean, it's up to you guys. Like, what's next? Like, do you guys want to take a break for today or?
Like let's take a break and I'll research about this 3D model thing.
Okay, sounds good. Perfect. Well, hey, I sent you guys an email to your Mad Empty email so you guys can hire on Upwork, by the way. So if you guys accept the invitation.
Okay.
Okay. So we need an answer by tonight, obviously, or by tomorrow if possible, guys. Okay, for him. Other than that, that's cool. He'll be working on that for us. What else do we need to do? This is a good thing, guys. I mean, we're really fortunate. You know, we have someone doing this for us and stuff. You know, right? He doesn't sound excited.
Like yes, but still.
Okay, so now we need a front end, I guess.
Okay, is he there? Is he there? Okay, Justin, if you can hear me, the formats which are good is .obj dot stl dot and gltf.
Okay, cool. Good job, Grush.
Now let's like I'll try implementing the demo 3D model on our website. If it works, it's good. Let's see.
Lefty, how you doing, babe? Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, can hear you.
So I got it. OBJ. I can do OBJ. That's what I told you before. And if you're sure you need OBJ, I can do OBJ. That's the standard format. Okay, Jose. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Okay, I mean, if that's, I mean, I got it. I can deliver OBJ, no problem.
Awesome. Thank you
Do
so
you
much.
guys have any questions?
We're gonna send you. Can you communicate on Discord?
Oh, I don't have it. Sorry.
It takes 2 seconds to sign up. Okay, just because that's where we collab. We have a server there, and it's just a lot easier. I'll send you an invite. Design discussion. So I'll do like this, and then
What do you mean to? What do you want me to?
just hang on. Bear with me. So like right here. So it's called Discord. So it's like it's how we communicate and collab and stuff. So
Okay.
it takes 2 seconds to sign up. You just basically just sign in with Google or whatever. And anyways, I added you to the designer room, and that's where we can discuss like all the design stuff. And that's where we're gonna send everything to you. Okay, and that's where we're gonna all communicate. That way you can get a hold of all of us at the same time.
All right.
Let me know when you sign up. Did you already do it?
Yeah, just give me a minute.
All right, sure.
I'm back.
All right, cool.
Arun, you're down tomorrow for a small project, like a tryout.
What project?
Just a small project.
What do you mean?
We take a demo 3D model and try to implement it. Like I found out some blogs and articles, and I gave Jocelyn the formats. Like
I mean, I'm all down,
this,
bro.
yeah, there's a JavaScript library called Babylon.js. Those
Okay.
that that can render 3D models in a web page using WebGL.
Okay.
And so yes, we'll try it out tomorrow.
Yeah, that's cool,
So the
bro. Like,
formats are
is
OBJ, so
the-
that's a standard format which Jocelyn told
okay.
that.
Is Jaslyn
So
okay with it?
yes,
Tomorrow?
yes. No.
Okay.
Like no. He can start with the work because we gave him the format, right? So as soon as he's done, he's gonna give us the thing. We can download free models online, like open source
Okay,
models to
sure,
try out.
Roshan.
I'm
Let's
telling
try it out.
I'm telling that's for us.
Yes, I get you. Like, let's try it out. It's fine.
Right.
Where do we get those
We'll have to
free
sit
models?
down, right? We'll see. Let's see.
Fine. I don't know if Envato gives out such stuff, but let's see.
Okay,
Uh,
I
also,
added
What?
into development. I added
What,
into
Alex?
the development
There's
thing.
T. I just saw you posted T. Okay, this is okay. Okay, I just saw you just joined. Or wait,
I gave him a role so that we can see him. It's
Okay.
not designer role. That's it's creator.
Are you Mohammed? No.
Yeah. So anything else?
That's
I'll
it for
probably
now,
leave
I
for today,
guess.
dude. Yeah, I'll probably leave. Go take some rest.
From before that, just look at this one. Look at the
Which one?
open Figma.
Yeah. And Alex, Roshan.
Wait. There is rules. Yes. Edit. Not manage.
Tilda, what are you trying?
I didn't give in the rule to see the chat. Yes. Yes. Tarun. So open Figma.
Yeah,
You're not in.
I'm in.
No, you're not. Shut up. Don't lie. Yeah, now you're in. Look at this.
What is this? You put in.
Just a basic thing. I just created a component and bunch of lines. Nothing.
Okay, what does
Progress
this
view.
component do?
Progress view, dude.
Okay, so basically, we start from SRS analysis, going
Hey, I'll
to.
have to rename. Like this would be a basically a wireframe. So this would be all the common stuff which we will need before we start the development, individual development. So this part can be front end, this can be back end, this can be like marketing. So only parallel stuff will be like this. If it's common, it's going to be clubbed into one column. You get it right? That.
Okay.
So assuming there's another common one over here in which you need the front end and back end. So basically,
Hey, guys.
copy.
If we want to talk to Jocelyn, we're going to talk to him in design discussion. Okay.
Yes, correct.
So
Design
he's added to design discussion. So all of our stuff we're going to talk to Jocelyn. Is that okay with you? Jocelyn.
Yes, but it's yeah. Hold on. Give me a second. It's for some reason it's playing up. I can't open the link you sent me.
Okay, but
I mean, I can open it.
no, you're added. No, you're already added. Are you familiar
You're
with
added.
Discord?
Nope, 100%.
Okay, don't worry about the link. You've already joined it. So you go. Okay, look over to the left when you're not empty. See where it says design discussion. The channel.
2 minutes, mom.
I mean, I get it. I can sign in. That's the problem. It's playing up. Oh, hold on.
Okay, Jasper.
Okay.
So look right here. Look, I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to tag you again. Okay. So there, I'm tagging you again. Oh, you're logged out right now, Justin. Oh, okay, he's logged out.
I'm
Okay.
logging in now.
Okay,
Just
gotcha.
logged in.
Gotcha. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, so, and we put you under the design team. We tagged you. You're not logged in yet. It still says you're offline. T, you can go ahead and go, T. T, if you need to go for dinner or something, it's okay.
No, not dinner. I just wanna kind of leave for today.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, no problem. Go ahead.
No problem.
I logged in. It's playing up. It's not working properly. I'm logged
Yeah,
in.
you know what, Roche? I forgot to tell you, our server's been acting weird because like people, I can't add people to it. It's just been like really weird. I don't know what's going on. Like maybe permissions are messed up. I don't know.
Maybe.
So something's been like really weird, like on there.
Yeah, I was.
Like we'll have to give roles. Oh shoot, got it right.
Okay, then bye, boys.
That guy
Take-
made a
Bye,
link.
guys. Take care. Bye,
Thank you.
Alex.
Thank you for today. You did really good. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Mhm.
Bye.
Right. Let's see. So yeah, something's been weird with our server. It's been like, I don't know how to explain it. Like some people can't talk through it, or like they're just like try to add people. Like
So
yesterday.
we'll have to give them roles. Until unless we don't give them roles, we can't.
Oh, okay.
So wait, Old Monk's done, right? We can kick him, right?
Jocelyn is offline.
I'm online. I logged in. It's not working properly. I'm telling you.
Okay. We take your word for it. You know, we're gonna take a break though anyways today, Jocelyn.
No, no,
I'm gonna send you
just
some,
we
yeah,
gave the format, right?
huh?
No, I was telling to Justin. So we gave it the formats, right? So you can start working and let us know. The,
So
give us
the
give us
format,
updates.
guys. It's OBJ. I can do OBJ. So send me copies. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna send you like an 80s, like I'm gonna send you like a picture. Rush, do you agree on like this, like something like okay, wait, hang on real quick.
You can send me a couple pictures in Upwork. You can send me a couple pictures in Upwork.
Hang on, relax, relax. Look right here. So I'm just thinking something like something maybe like this, see? Or like this is kind of cool. You know what I mean? Something like this. See how pretty they like,
Mhm.
or like and then so obviously this is the modern version, and then this is like the old school. Our point is we what we do is we're building a project management tool, and we're going to be doing progressive web apps. So we're pretty much trying to show like how old school, how we came from 80 years ago, or like from the 80s and to now, like, you know, to making something so, you know what I mean? So we're kind of trying to show progression through an old school 80s computer to like now like a mobile phone. From like,
And what kind of phone you use?
do not make it an iPhone, do not make it an Android, make it neutral, because I don't want to piss people off, okay? Because some people might be offended.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Don't make it specific, you know, make it a smartphone. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, cool. So yeah, just don't make it a specific I mean, you might even, yeah, I kind of want the little dot, the little button, like, you know, like the little circle on the iPhone at the bottom. That'd be kind of cool, but I mean, it's whatever, you know. I trust you, but yeah, see, you get the idea.
Okay.
What I like is I like the code. My favorite part is I like the color within the code. Like I like the like the greens and the blacks, and like on right here, like on recap
So
after.
Alex, can I leave?
Yeah, go ahead. Well, here real quick, Rush. See right here? See these colors?
Mhm.
I like these kind of colors implemented too, okay? But we're gonna take off though. It was really good meeting you, and we're really excited to work with you. Okay? We're gonna take off though. My guys are tired, and I am too, so. Okay, Justin,
I mean, if you guys don't have any questions,
we don't
I
have
get
any.
it.
Yeah,
I guess
we will talk to you in Discord, okay?
the thing is, this one is not working. How do I? Because I
And we'll talk in WhatsApp. How
played
about
up. I
that?
can.
Okay, we'll talk in WhatsApp then. So
Yeah, let us do what.
sounds good.
Listen, we can talk in Upwork because there is message
That's fine.
message
Fine.
section, so we can.
I know, that's fine. Okay, that's
Okay.
fine. Sounds good. All right. Okay, Rush, I'm gonna go. All right, Rush, good
All
See you
luck
later.
today.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, bye, guys.